Abusua wo ho te say yisa wo ho ye aha aya Adom TV na nkwanhye nsam na wotie mi amede ho chiame edi amje so Asante Kotoko ena mi bisa se abere ho na ade aso na sa neje empo ubobo abrabo ho ebisa nsa wo de befa he sasam tun wa he na wo da na wani hwe bebia wo de wani kire no e kire ne abenya ibo a asam to wa wankasa nyahunu se bibi wa wo yo ya ma asam to wo. We all play a role in the things that happen to us. And you'll be no ye. Ya so bosobo na pe bibi ya ya na catch on say me nya me famu me so minim hu bi. Me can be na aba. When you define the role you play in your life, you define what role to play next to get out of it. So what me hu nya wo ya abrabo be sin na dey say me na wadu ya. Be hu nya ba ya be sakra abrabo me obi na be sakra abrabo ma. Enti bi sa ho say ma ware enkoyie. Me sika say mo enkoyie. Ma pomodin enkoyie. Ma abrabo enkoyie no. Ede na me yo ya na manyo ye nti aba ne sei nempo ni awanyo no yo ni awo yo ya na aba ne sei ne jayo bu komposho abrabom tie kasa wa wo kan no a na ano bebi ado abeduro na sakra o kasa no adwene mu sakade na woni bia kopa akade sempo enyonko pa na woni bia wadanfa wo na omwa wo no ja na mu na kopa ne efere nyonko papa nyonko odimu a onyansa wapo na ma eni ukan na ni mu bra baba ye bo nkwanti mi bubra da bo ye obi na wo semo ye obi a se obi o nyansa wapo obi o ka no kure e kan semo hye nkuran enye obi o ka so we enye yie o jaja sa de sa na te na ye din komo asabe enhye nkuran nkomo ebu abam enti sa asam to wa bebe o da no woni kire no na kire won koso ana wa hwe ase mi asam to mi a bebe mi da no ma gin kire kane e nyankopon asam ibobo mu e kan bi na no na me kan sam 1-1 na me tese David bisa me se me pagya me ne kire me pono a ehe na me moa efriba wo se me moa be fira safo awrade ono o ya so na asase no me hwe so wi a me bisa se e de na metimi asua de na metimi asua book be na me kan wan na metie na obehye me nkran abom abamu na ma metimi agina e de na metimi asua ubisa ho sensem ya sua de webre wo wiase ne e na kwa da fofidie so a wo sua hunu be bia tipe bibi sua ne gina wo naso na nya endaso ema wabrabo me se asamba amenda na wani che politician bi enkwachi safo me bre da bi ono so ni pa ono so bre be ba da na wani a kire be kire be ko da na wani kire wan kasa kasa me be hye me hu kran agira brane na me pe asem na ni na kan ka me hu ano aduro bibia nto a untimi mu nkam so na no de ba ya se obu nkam so ene so betimi adi nkunim wate ntimpa ba ensuro ejide ma ho sese tie bia no wabrabo ebeye ma menhye onkuran se bebia waduro ne no nye ho na betena ko se weye oya kwada wo wiaye o so nya nante ene wa pani bebia waduro ne no nye ho na betena ko se weye so betrem a na ewo ne abeka kire ho betrem be ewo ne abeye afa ho obetrem a ewo ne obede na die afa ho nti ye bibi fa ho na so dimu wate Mr. Abrabo yebo ye wona wo bo na no betunum say life is what you make it yourself. Wona wo bo abrabo nti hye hu nkran na bo ho abaso na ka kire won say baby amaduro yi enye say na meyo akosi dan kwama. Me ntirem nkosi we ye. Mepe akade mepe nyansa mepe nokure mape suban papa na mape ni ameyo amesore fremu na me nkada. Menye say be ma na otrensu ya no mfedu sanwotwe no na mmosobo na matra hey na sia na Ghana tiu na abusuam wo mu dabi obosobo bekam hye hu kran na peja na ka che won se be ba maduro yi sia na be ase dan kwamba meso na so ho ma me na no me sori frimu na so me sori frimu o kasia o hye hu kran na pe akade epene ma betima yo abrabo asiye minia ni amaka che me gidi se watibi hye hu kran bo ho abaso penyansa pa akade panamuntuo papa na fetu abraboyi anamuntuo akwantuo no se de tie bia no ebe wi opeyo aha na meja wo edin yam je so Asante Kotoko na wachina so ebehia unu nyame entina
Jumede so yadanite ko tego ase papa pa sa wahye yemkunan enti se na yetie bia no wankasa hye ohun kunan foni ntu obiso na wahye ohun kunan se beyeye na masori beyeye ampa se nkuran hye ni gidia no mo enti beyeye nso ama yadana se enti ochena adepache yenso anu asa hia no de aduru so eye anopa no sia kase e na mede brown sam no do so ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini akora ba akode wato na mo sia de mudu mienu nyame adi won ho afusane yade mu nkyeremu no ebebremo ahyankafo ya wo mo efa sunyane tra kwantempo no so abontrene so mbe demonstration wo manum asame de betudwa no ne nsem bi edifata ena no pay mede bro Adom TV bejam kase over Facebook/Adom TV akase ne dem live ho mi amesomo bidi yefia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die kwan so tie se den nsem ni kyeremu ankasa etie Akra wanya mfiedu enso o junior high school 3 ene wato na nanu nsiedo ebra woni ni nuanom du emienu won mo yes wo kodwa nso mu nenye nso bia keke wo mo papa boy bi en wo ma tututu amana wieche wo ma nkasa so ena adane amana nso tamu ene de abafrei ekro emunchi mu Adom TV kase edeba
na me ye djuma na me so mo to aso ipa be almost 10 to 15 and many member no mu twa mo ba na me bi so mo ko mo so mo ko jara me say na so bi ensu ye ndwalo na mo de mo ko aja emnantie ni ma ba oluma ma muame na ja mo bai eti me hyesro wa de me tie say o mu di me ko mu dwane na ba ko pe no du won say ye nua na to nsuo nim eti wa na me friend no satan no bi ani around ye frefre boys ye bai ye nsuo nim adwale tie je ye say friend ananom ye from no mo bai amba nko fa police for ba na so mo yense ne ne abiru
kwaku eye ni a wo hwere ne nkwa no papa na wo kire mu a asem a asie no e yade se ne ho adwiri ne pa
mba no ko
William 17 years.
Okay, come on. The father here no woman. Ni ma do be wa.
Ohini a wo asawe krum ene empanyinfo bi a wonom kan bi ewo mu e wo krum honom na de adesrede ato omampanyi aredanko akufo ado animu se womra wonom mpatam honom no ma wonom mo esanse enam saa mana na da ho ninti ni nipa dodo na ene hwere wonom nkwa ewo ho
Rifa nkora be 11 na nso na fa se offer mu ase every year bi nso to be fa akora every year bi nso to be fa akora epese etu ana mo aban ba boy na nche ye mu no mo si man man no pa ba ho no mo ekwa mi so pese aban ye mbo no to be boy na chi isi amuna we
me kwaka na wakwafa police fo na mo de aba me so ese me ne no court house me ntumi mfele nkwala na enso no chiwen ese ehwe nsu ato asanchi obi ntimi sra ban se me de nyame den esra ban ene MP fo se won support me na mo muwa me na me nsi amana we
enti woyi esi ye wo gomu asar kroma ben budumbram e wo gomu East Mesimo e wo mfimfin mantam no emoye toaso na yakoye nsam foforo mu ahyenkafo ya wode wahyen fa sunyane kira kwantempo no so se won mo kwan na nyenti aban no waka so wan fidia ene obeye ye che
ehu ni se yankasemu a ye yibone e wo brahafo hai on the 13th eye kina dwo ye demonstration kese e de atia aban e wo kwan a ye nam so no ye hihye nyina wie ye no enura ene ye hu se contractor bi abakwan no so ye ni ba bi ofiri allo ya odwiri kwan no so ye demonstration na ye se ye bɛyɛ no wɔkyena no nyame ya adom a wɔkyena ye bɛyɛ na ye de akyerɛ ye ni a enso e wɔ kwan no
ahyenkafo bi a wonom edom ekuo nso editudwa se emahye bedwafo na eyi wonom aso a won pese oba bɛyɛ kwan na ma wom afi nso kra no wonom mantamu so afo no ase ne ekoso kra no wonhunu ye nunti na wonom asigina ye se obɛyɛ saa wɔ ye kyire
aha ya MPP so wo rit no every day bia some people me no mtiso ye hu do mo ye imagine pass e ye be bi kra kan dey ka bi si fo na di kwa no usa kwa yi obi tua omuju wo na politics we ba wo so na maye wo so ba na maye e kwa bi bia vitro e se lu to Kotoko kwa na e du me kwa nya ka no akọ
ye brepa e so ye ku no bra no ba fo mo bra enti ye se wona bo me ya kyereme So wa me kwana ma ye bo naked ni atwe to fam ni dia guni so na so wala na so ba sori a ono aba wo se wiase contract so woni mi sa aba ma ni sika na so wa me kwan no ko tra so den ko shebo akase.
National Chairperson Demba Convention People's Party Nana Yasapon Kumankuma ene wa pao Operation Takeover eho entoma CPP amanyoko no benya mfinhia eduoso miensa enti eho afahye no ena won apa ho entoma ne won mo ye free Ghana for so won fo ho anyimu na afi won twitwa enye oben.
Operation Takeover me bon to fa the chance say sorry prekope na koye de osawoje. What's Nasia and Maso? It doesn't matter. A radiation was saying in Ara. You see, it is castle so you're black. So one sorry now, Fako Komoti and Quan Coye de Osa we are. Over Tennessee, over some bread. If you say a Nipana or call Parliament, no, or quadrini as Gracia home, or quadrini car home, or quadrini down Benya home. Now, where? And just see. Wona wo ya branch and ho chire wa wo tifie wonya adwumanye wonya accommodation woni de osa wo ye no yes enye nyankopon na sebe mpaduasa ono be sori eye won sa wano wonan ene wadwene na wade be fa so de aboa wo ho de aboa nipa de aboa wo ma de aboa wo nananom enti se wa meka ho anya yie na wadwene yo sa wo de woni bibia de ma emwa Operation Takeover si sorry ne
Ohine ya wo doma akwamu wo doma ismensi mu wo bono mantemu ye berima opon kireme sikafo edei nana ede adestrepa na etudwa se ne de mekeka kro no de wo mbehia senior high school ewo won mo potemu ho ofisa wo fa doma east mensi no de si ho ne nkura twetwa mu ahia no a esopa enipa no doso wo nanso wo mu ni senior high school na nanu asem oni Adom TV kase edi nkoboy
prestige start here die ne yura DC ya pensu bia kodura yi na fredi na ahode na sa se the assembly abeso prestige ni ma o si amaye se no ko hwa se adura yi a aboso hin ya se ye kokurasi wo se ma bontina ko ye gogonte na be tanina ye fa ha tunu ye fa ha so a ya penswa mam ni DC ya kokobot wada unoma o papa se mfuturo no wa hema ni mu ya hapona ya sankase nti ni awopia o papa o dia pia DC na wo maso mama ye o hwe damna chippings guya se ya na se College of Education ya St Ambrose College of Education se tikro ha ye degree wa ha University of Cape Coast na de maye na ade ba ko akaye secondary school se de unya se ni college no na unya secondary school kan ho a na che se bibia di mu ndi se ba chiche secondary school dance ba bia no wa kai papa se o papa cruzo secondary school ba ko ba ho a abebo aye.
Adom TV Badwam kase na ogiso channel o share live on Facebook yeto aso na ya concern foforo mu na challenging height ya dwumaku enhye aban ase dawura wo mobo ya nkra ye tete wo mo de wo ye nkru to dwuma bro wo mo ahoden so na 12 June ye bosomi bia wa afimu ayi de si ho ne bodawuro afa child labor ana senkra ye de wo ye nkru to nti dwumade no bia koso enradai amene won ne nsentwefo di enkomo asam no ne tofo bomu wo mo srepa child labor so betimi aba fomu a ene school feeding caterers no a won wate atua na ban no hwensiesie bibia ehia wo mo no enti se bewi akire titiru nkura won kronkuma mu obahu na nyuma kase no wo kwa akoye de ato won so Adom kase no won edin komoy
enti challenging heights wo dwumezi bia yezi a oye ye famofra a wonyon ye ejuma wo fiefie oye child domestic work ye bo won onno ye sonko wo enwude ya obi muso awon ye kafa won lake water ye jinaze na nyomba ono ye different from this one ye mofra won ye adwuma wo fiefie won bi mu won ko school bi won ye erukaze naze won na ya kafa won mu 55 the mofra 55 no ya hwom wa ko school ya tuto mnyama wo be hia na woda ko school na challenging height tuto ni nyina ma won ne mo wona wo ye caregivers a wo hwede mo mofra no na nna ya nwa aba ha ye ma won sika wo de bedigua obi a wo ha bia no ye be ma no ni sika ye be ma no in total be 2400 ne mo se de sika ni nyina ze ma wona anhwe na wanhwe do yie nti ye de ma won in batches Indazi Obia Nansara Baka 700 Ghana cedis. Dam 700 Ghana cedis de be yejuma, de yejuma na ejuma no koyia. Na ode ejuma no otrewa na ye de nkan bi so aso do kapem tama ebe wunde ejuma no ejina. Na dam sika na ye de ma wona de be yejuma no onye mesafo yi wankasa wozi. Oye mofra na ya fa won de wo ye ejuma wo fiefie oye child domestic work. Wunti na ye de dam sika na ma wona oda ye ejuma.
They say China this year be aba amansiam potomo ho ne tichiro pram forest ni mo ya wo mutu for ma gudia den ya no wa amansia central wasantemante mu abambofo eta won mochi en wo di dwumai e yo man hina wo be kwai traditional council na no say kwadwo abebio e de sansem we etudwabra ya man boni Isaac no manyo ehia no na eyeda wo mu duaduanu yi ebie enana de sansem yi etudwa wo chiremu Esram penifo se wo ni die mu a wo mo kwaye ne die penifo hwe mo ho ban emfama wo mo na fei sa China kuofuo yi a wo mo tufu magudie wo ho no ohwe se wo ba be yi won afri ho
be kwai traditional area from Jacobo right down to Mafort wo kwa illegal man na air course no obi aso valid documents sisi ete hunu institution dealing with direct. Ebeba na minister Forest Commission assign. Ebeba Minister of Lands assign. Ebeba Lands or then assign. And they say the interministerial committee. Look at all this. Utu ya be boson ba ko. That's at nesa no parking video no ko. Now utu ya royalties called Lands Department. For credit to the two and I said, these are things I have abandoned from not checking. No, that for Zevonko, media Pambrama forest. And no co China Fuga ye to Galamsey. Yes. I will call positive for a guide and no man could ye for Galamsey, but they were issued documents. The Banfan Nancy form. But quite traditional area from Jacobo right down to Mafort.
Ya de nyina asie de do so da bon krata na ye krado san so da online stories no so aye krado nti ye de ebro man hene kwabna sante e wa hama metra diamond so agene dada afia amankwa tamaklo ni krio no kayen so ya ye ready de bon krata na ye de eto so madofo memu ache emu akwaba ye nua e bibia boko de erade domonti de nyankopon ase papa ya da munyina ase so wa me ahoden ne enko
oda diamond chira ase onna ye nyina yase oda diamond chira ase odaroma ochiaye no onipa baako ana jesu ntie enye ye damu nyina oda diamond chira ase emphasis odaroma
mate me de se ne me machi anti uji so ani so no de me back case by the end of the day nipa mienu neto ho enti baako na jesu na baako won nye so a this week ni yemfa manso bi ansa se sa aha anti no seben de wadwene yo na no anafa na ni take other romanti osi yan hye ho den no ne ade enti se nipa bia obema ase me spirit akọ form no so ni fa no me attack me ne nyai enti se ma me na beje me so a me ne ko na se wo atwu na so person baba ka me de meje so ti wo beje so ana onye so
baje su brako
better wo be ma ba ko ada ma mu ayo ho ma so chi and omahini suba we nye TV so kwa radio ho nyina pam na wo ya judi ti se udi
baje su brako pe dia ma o
me da se
ba mo ye de
oh nyame adom
after abobo ya cap na e kwaji ye no Kumasi Asante Kotoko akwaji aba no
kwaji wai
o si eji wo stay Kumasi Sports Stadium
na abobo ya
ehye ede tinemu na abobo ya na ede tinemu ana nipa dodo na kan wase ye kra na yaji ya de se moto kra na ede besi achi na ede balloon kra fa ho enye wasem
so far as I cap na wajine de
o piece o team papa we se nka oji no o na die ya no eti Asante Kotoko fans nyina Kwame Eugene e da se splendid performance or two juma mo who said teama ujina so ana obobola Kotoko de nyame anim ni se ampedu amfama ankodwen Kotoko na me call ya anum de dia home officer e de padlock atumi ya kamawu
and also
oh
ma beto
e se ma do atoja fa kom yan kwa na e de
mo nyire mo hona mo
nsuo ni gusu to ye hona me nim se mo de nsuo ni gusu to ha de ya
o eto
o eto kanya no so ho ana ye no ho de bibibia obi na igusu dum sisi
this weekend they may experience
see nka ho me say dum no see na no make say esum okru esum da so awo say kanya na dum amaka traffic light
aka traffic light
say eno so adundum
okay
so nam kwan mu ani nyina enti
okay Afia kwai
yo any ma me fa online stories no nhyase ye ba adomonline.com a we yara hosam a asie na ye say Algeria footballer bi chese wo she go no wie ya woni ayukongofo no ancha kura be mako obi nima de kro ai de no ekro yara hosam into kwa adom online asasam no ebo animo ha na fe oba ensem foforo mu so ye see video bi a e show bronze century woni studio no waye na adwumanwie ancha kura na nipa mimfo bi aba be kire no e de no afri ho de no ko sansam ni detail no de just call adomonline.com na fe wakwa akonya enu achi so CCTV cameras ne de adofo mo nyame mo OBS ka no nya bi mfa nhihye ba bia na eboa edidwuma kwabra ne abrante wakwa wia iPhone 13 bi wo bishop na wonim se CCTV camera bi eboho na akire no enti ehu asam eno no ne yakọ politics mu adomonline.com na Buhari Nigeria mampani so na we declare no say free and fair election there obehwe se ebeye adwuma abra na wo address ne manfo yeba local news nso a metiofo omo de weather report na ba me so say munyi wo muni omo ye too much so one follow omo wan hwe abepie so behwe kwa wan toto mpuma mu abakọ na dem ho nyina afọ adwuma ti mumie follow omo na enkoso nti we adomonline.com den sama no pay wonso oba adom online ni bebre na egu animo ha senti ya bra ho o hwe trending news no so a ebo animo ha senti mamenko oman ene mame kira ho na fe die kura mame no wonfa ento so emfamaye
Daily Graphic ne kramia no pay na kesepa wom no eye otumfo Ose tutu otosumino Asante Hene Nifoni ne dahanum say and say Ose be measured in expectations Asante Hene to labor unions, but government must ensure equity. Enti labor unions for nyume ekua hodra omodon wonom ena otumfo kache won say womani so ade ho ne enti omokodon ye no mo hwese bebem na so ne nyina mu na ban so nhwe say ye checha equity bebem obi abenya de se efata no enti eno ho asem odekotu dwa ewo KNUST 56 special congregation Jumedie biase no tumfo cancer asemi NDC National Democratic Congress amanyoko no so de frishia aduasa na womo de niam akotutu yi akodidi nkomo se ne be ya wo mbegina wona aso 2024 abato no enkunimdie etumi aye won dia enti ba konso e ka ho wanim ha say consolidate democracy devoid of impunity Attorney General na ka kire empanifo mo wa bibimam se democracy ye kabima me kabinu nyese ye de to ya no akwa se ebibiman we de ono wo de democracy na ye adwuma so na enye adwuma da bi wo mo nhyemu den emfa ho ene de beba ene de bekobia entinsam no de edoso ama graphic kratafa no ekokowie edioso enkron 79 pages na so kakrai ena mebobo so achewa no pay e Daily Graphic enim.
Yeah, to also a year in time yes, quickly. The Herald say National Cathedral project suspend indefinitely for lack of funds as contractor lays off 200 workers despite 200 million payment. Pastors hiding. NDC not yet party of opportunities. Harina Idrisu Anna Lamentino. Anna the new crusading guide say affordable housing high on government's agenda at Senso Boache. More victims in 800k Ghana recruitment scam. Chase MP for their cash as PA languishes in prison. And the Daily Guide say $10 million to renovate tourist sites. Nana Donaka say Ofurata accounts for COVID expenses. The big one, 50 PIC MPP forms. And the photographs here, some of them were of Stephen and team, Kate Jemfua, John Boadu,
Henry Nana Boache, and George Abankwa Yeboa. 7 students suspended for smoking shisha. And what's them? And a daily guide democratic at the Aba.
And crown dear, just in your who's junior and senior.
Senior high school quickly. My minister said, you meet me on page 6, senior high school.
Senior high school.
The oh, me we come
now I
hey, with the man can ye crack Neil and Tebanaman.
Oh, the other man can
Sanke free a year as Antimantema, where they acquire Bunidi. The Senior High School in the Bono region has suspended 7 female students for engaging in bad behavior. The students last week sneaked from campus in school uniforms to have fun and smoke shisha with some 3 young men who invited them out.
With their school uniforms.
Wow.
As I'm crying, almost ready and Fariadi. All in the name of
their school uniform.
With Uncle Yano pay.
Mamma call my jaw online. Na yantwaso na monkeypox no. So much once a man who be has a CIA. Dr. Okoboy. Say it's easier to get monkeypox from sex and kissing. As I'm afraid, doctor, no trade. Because I'm not. It's my call at myjoyonline.com. Now, said the Democrats every kind of buy, could you to a black one? Nay, some our day to Johnny National Cathedral, and dear. Yama be shut down Kosuye, a woman. It's in a was any Yahumu, a BMO. Now, yet was so nearby, Asia has say 4 MPs invited for Commonwealth Parliamentary Association Conference. Nina for LGBTQ be key on agenda. And I say, and some, and some for from so a boy has said LGBTQ community must stop provoking Ghanaians with their actions. Now, we Legal Affairs Committee, jump training a day or 2. I say, over the weekend, big boy Kakakabi or Mudisi, motorway no so, or Muko yin free ho, na a ho and some enom. Na Samini, so me a sure say Madofo, Moti over the weekend. So when Mr. Legon, before I be gates be or Honomo, so you should card. And brass Samini, so a Janet dear or the other came into our feminine security a train and you know, or so I want. Unquanem Quachina. Na just Samini recording the battle or thinking, say, what more back can be a man, so maybe we from Ama a huge penifon, so the whole report about said a enforcement at Daho. Inti security man, the Juma Pepe, and I want also a year, you know, and all and more as some, and no, once and for Fromo war news found, so Council of State, who answer Samui, Martin, Pebu, and so do not know Atumo Ebi. Na, and some no so, ma menko kwabna ho na onya saitedi.
Yes, Yera Clement Watin, good vice president, and Yera Safma from Como, or could this cabinet, Junior. Say, found your massa keke. Buying probably betting with the Shabia bar. Can you know price control? And he has been my revisit here. How possible is that? Said the Beya, Nyama boy, Titunia, boy, Coco Costro, Basano, Yetimasha, no quay. Yera Clement Watin Marche. Hello?
Hello?
Yera Marche and Abocodier.
Abocomahine, Asante.
Na
so to say.
Oh, Madaroma said Jamona Masoya Sia, Mushe poor mine na and Comodia bar no penny ever say a young coma. Sana Montuni Trimpone a bar, a bebois, a dready home commander, Yera Safma for team powers a cabinet. Asha say drinking to control pricing in our market. Good for Madrid Sanko Moy.
Yo, Ira, Medawase. Say wa mami sa akwanya we na michia otifo ene wa ahwefo nyina e wo Ghana ha em say ensema yewura safumafo edebatu edwa no em say ade a ha adwen kakra na guta say no ye adwea enye ye because yenyina yenim say examples of my say Cote d'Ivoire na say on ye bibisa no Cote d'Ivoire on ye bibisa no Cote d'Ivoire inflation Cote d'Ivoire inflation is about 4%. And Ghana, your current inflation is about 27%. And it's a Cote d'Ivoire inflation here 4%. Not maybe a one static price control. Ghana now your inflation here 27%. You know, have a static price control. The only a year and say, as I say, you encourage Ghana for na. And Yama ye Ghana ha, and Yania ye Ghana ha no. This Adrian no. Now you use and Yama ye Ghana ha. Ye Sadiana, a better day, a Bibia and Ma say, a Baba Ubia dream say, ye Yampa price control, because price control are Wokano. Mostly no, and Yama you use Ghana ha, find say every day and Yama you use Nino, and Yama ye crafty amanoni. Na isa say kra enema fi amanone na se say no ye hwe ne ayewom ye di kan ye covid aba na e de ohaw bebre aba na afin so no Russia Ukraine war and also the ohaw bebre aba na ama se say no enema na efi amanone ba no ho akọ atwe kakra enti wo sha abroche kra no na ye kan ye mani fi ho na won ba no. There are some countries, they say Germany, Britain, ne ade a say ukọ especially basic nema ukosa ukwakofa ye mau bebre ebia ye beka say ebia for 1 or 2 because of situation they say global world no ye nyina no ye find it ourselves no. And the only thing I say ye be aban no ebe madaru no aye bebre na ye nema ye produce because say ye find say banchi ho nye din. You find it a bodia who ye ding. You find it a bayra who ye ding. You find it a moi, a mukrano. So you see the local ones, you know, and no, as a bedia. You bet you get no, and no, meaning say at least no, near a wahano, the NCM crana, a bit me the edu baby. But as I say, you taste for the foreign products in it, you know, tell the answer, the Vika craba. Now, am I a why day? You who aquatrain. It's immediate. Let us say abani mo be encourage and as obama the rule I am more. Now your local produce na produce wa ano. Edu mo ni yetimi ayeden. Yetimi ayusu say you use no sa adwenya e beba say bia price control ni ade minua emmo bia tremi ko
clearly meti the all can say but clearly some of a year you dread for no so it take a certain advantage over situations bia sometimes they're very alarming. And your mom, you said you see king. Ye encourage said ye be dino. Na ye encourage said ye be equip ye be empower Ghana for businessmen and women no. Na ye hwe se ebo nso amoa mokofa no mafiri amano ne ba no. Ebo no ntimi nkoye atwamene bo te se ofkofa ade bia ene obekodwa so ebia eye 10 cities. Na de chiye no okodwa so no. Na about 45 cities. Sometimes they're very alarming. It is about man and young cohort. Whilst they will suggest no power, says say I encourage near my ye and no more abu say there's no shortage of that. But I encourage a boy and Kassam. And no chino yes, I boama Ghana for this year your warning you ma do na a crefia man on a ban yet my do na. Now for Muswa, Mudin your mafia man on a bano. Yet me a training wedding como ye bema a bonus wasem etimia jina hu ye kakra. Whilst government work on a seed na holding against the dollar. In a factors as you consider. Because you too, more born to be order man, a yet to try many board. In Chile, anywhere, I am the bar, a toss by any option.
Yeah, I'm here. I know the menu watching it. I am a credit. Say sometimes, you know, you know, be a na a profit I 1% will make here, and Ogonibeka say very outrageous. Then so no menu nyina ebegya to say na senya isika na ho de no na the rate na kofem no eno eka ho bi and I am say ma na ma bo no ye den cost so kakra but for some time now no nyina ebegya to say em say ayede sika na ayede agina kakra nti ubesha the rate na ye tumi maybe be 2-3 months back no say no enyesa na tie but like you said no eno de me nyi wachiye enti no may you see opportunity ade ma me na ma appeal to yenuanom yanafofo ye sisters me ma menum traders no say ye the way ebinum eto oniema so no eya on hwe kakra ye nyina yinim say globally no say na ho kire wo nanso no say ye ka ye di ho kire no echi be prayer like you said no the way prices no be etie no na in fact ha drink kakra but o mine say na medi kan kan no obedi atum say na sika no ejina kakra no senia enema botie no em say nyesa na
okay, so Clement Boati message na otwe and I said na otwe a eda enimi mo baje breguta fo asem bantem pass a mo menhya sisi pronto ato adwene na no so ankoma ni pa adwene anya mo kesene biribi ada no ye dam asese mo back to the aid of majority of us as Ghanaians mo nkoso nso mo yesompa na mo nwene ye ho na Ghana intimi nkonanim. We are so grateful. We appreciate it. All right. So that's it. Who asemika di efia near wrap up because Brennet
Sefia Bedi who dance here, Metaika or newsroom, say Ghana for you 2 more. Yen said I near a Christopher said a Ghana, say Ghana a Christian country. No smacks to buy any who says yes, sir. Yeah. In Koma Udina no pay. Obi be coach, Obi o hokra, Ebi o coach, and a near my war in the warehouse no on coach Jebu. Now so to say, I told near my boss. No, near one, I know ye coffee no air ton of walk crona. Obi o ha na de otono e fa so wo ho be yem prensa enye
okay
kremofo na ye Christopher asa de no enye de papa standard authority na no ye kase bo mo se omo be ye hihye bi a omo ekọ efuom ekuafo no hokoto se de omo koto omo sisi wom e badwa so asa de bo omo de to so no omo be ye ma bibia na emum ne ntem so
okay okay, if ya
and she said Lady D can anya one more ton even full mpo wo mo tese ye betutumu anu so won ton na ne adechi o de amayebum ti ye nyina ya ka ho so wo ho ti ye nyina no so ne fancy hair na ya kwai na Professor Ike Wallace de agudie mo nsam no etwaso
Memo akwaba kesi mensa de ba agokense dwumadi kese so station ye Adom TV so Adom TV na yede bedwa dwumadi so no yede agokense hu sempa esa kana no pensu ja medindi Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and amazing kunya e kono kwanten kone small do ensa kana no penso e wo Ghana agudie ejao she no so ma bisa nyuma komiensa ana e bo machi do me de san hye so kwetfe ejao 1xbet I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet je utwa de befua ana din befu twa ne kuma bia odi ne kuma sa no manum ntimsew abusua de asase ejao ejapade bi siska wo question pass abetia pija na wakoton na din na begu so utwa ne befua bedi ne befu na boa e ma niam etia kwedi ma na mum o bet ya fadwene kakra to insan se bet diwa wadwene betia bom uchim betia san hyehyeo so bet with money that you can afford to lose sika editor school fees editor light bill editor danka ye mfa ntwa bet nya sade aso betia san hye ope bet dia 1xbet omo na etachira boa e me na no pay din ko no etia ba Jeffers Health Limited and the Jeffers Edu Tasheno and Etechi, Jeffers Edu Memanum, Emanum, bacteria infections beyond sac can be a gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, fetal white and asudi upon natural, on set make and dribia, no subitia bois, and maniama etia to 2 year at the amount. For when each herbal shops na face so pharmaceutical shops out there, on sabitia can Jeffers, na bois, and maniama etia to 2 year the amount. Sedimo gel and roll on, Macacho that said the ultimate pain relieving gel, and a medium one dance the amount, but more than that, so good to do CC baby be out here of the Biano. O set me can sedimo gel and roll on a bit in Sabo. Shaman may market a man so Yana ho crown, Sabitia can sedimo gel and roll on. Waiting at taught na Boama Yama at to year the amount. The sell open product TBA to a cotton the Abitia friend paying for. I was 020-898-6731. Now only sedimo gel and roll on phone paying for Yen Kume. yenhwemwa ema pomodon sem so nyama 2022 ye enfamao. A journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step. Yenhase MFF UEFA Nations League results Saudi 2022 journey. Spain for Czech Republic etwa kaminu. Omo entiante Switzerland for Portugal etwa mekaba komo so entiante na fe Norway 3, Sweden 2, Slovenia 2 and afi Serbia 2. Afi Greece for so Kosovo etwa mekaminu omo so entiante Northern Ireland Cyprus etwa mekaminu a omo so entimente madabra kana afi so Georgia omo so ene Bulgaria ebo etipenkro 90 minutes of soccer fiesta. The scoreline was barren. Obi eni ho a wetimi eposo nyon kwantena e was Sakins Kesia and also etimi eto dwane emu. Veni 20th century mu ewo national team news and also 20th century no na se nanoda ene koba ase Japan for eche Ghana ewo eye carrying tournament 20th century ni 20th century ase no omutwa Ghana ka pole enan e ma Ghana 20th century mu ba ko ewo Sakins Kese no so 20th century no we carrying cup Sakins Kese 20th century dwa Ghana e next opponent ye ne Chile for ene dia Kese ne between san pem so ewo dwumadi a egusu edi no na hwem ne sena nema esi kwa Ghana e hwa nim se between compete for bronze ewo sa Sakins Kese a 4 countries ye ton stand from say omomana meginem ko kodenten ewo sa dwumadi nim Chile for ensu lusu to Tunisia for ewo mo first semi-final clash 20th century dwanima na me adoma ochina 6:30 AM Ghana ye hwa nim se kwa biaso no ye ne omode akensi no ebetimi atentam so
yomu timu ba ko Japan nsano no Black Stars of Ghana carrying cup etudwa e Japan no ochina na omode akensi etwato e de bosso eno e third place omo ni Chile ena di bomu a omo hwese ombeto so miensa eno machede no wo mo saka eno a omo kosiesi omo ho ya omo de twa ochina kensi yi omo se omo ba mu muye coach penyina oda omo no otu ado se se Japan ahye omo kai na ya omo timu ba ko de na so omo mpaba kensi etwato no omo ba omo ho modene na we nyina aka ho sisi ya omo ye area 2023 African Cup of Nations qualify no in afi World Cup e be kono kata no omo nya press ni bia omo bagina mu ati omo Ghana ni.
Yes, surely we were behind. That's why we needed to step up a little bit, and also to get the right position so that we can keep the ball, which was very important. We ran a lot in the first half, so we also had to have more ball possession and have patience before we play the balls through. I think it was good. We came in good in the second half, but the pre-run killed us a little bit. And from there on, the Japanese had a lot of space and they scored.
And see Black Stars against Chile. Nyamia Adom ochina 6:30 AM ana Sakins Kese ne between san to we carrying cup Japan for ton sadefa mahudo bese miensan so mbeka hono munye nan na omo fanten tam so Ghana the first game no na 4-0 ana 18 PM e Sakins Kese 18 to join team sampa sa 4-1 no Brantia ni dine Jordan Pierre Ayew ana ete kanaba kuma Ghana nya patago e Sakins Kese 18 to fam e de ni kire wafu bi Akins Kese rima na say under 17 tournament e koso Ghana memha Cape Coast Sports Stadium is a venue of attraction do 20th century ma ye opening game I did 10 times no Ghana versus Nigeria for say omode omani 18th century mu e Sakins Kese no oma nyese ebia mu ne wa kra 20 no Sakins Kese ko ba se Ghana ipi form so e de ni kire World Cup no omo ebete kan mu ba se akratwe de ho de na ho be kire Ghana for bosu yedum prekesa mpaniam pa 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na Nigeria for achi Ghana asa 4-2 into utimi sampa ba bia be share Ghana bia na 4 and itimi sa GCC nyame adoma Ghana ebebo Togo e next group A game between Saturday and Friday and Asante Kotoko so ebetimi atofem.
Brilliant goal, amazing finish from Emmanuel Michael to hand the Nigerians the lead on 12 minutes.
Yeah, at this level.
That's a good drive. And it's the second goal for Nigeria. It is a big striker. Nigeria is looking for inroads, but Kewe Yede's effort doesn't yield any positives. Nigeria looking for the third, and yes, they finally get the third goal. Nigeria
is not coordinated enough.
Here is Apia. Ghana looking for a consolation, and yes, Ghana pulls one back. Good goal from the striker who just came off the bench.
It's a brilliant finish. and that just could be the lift that the team needs. We're taking a look at the goalkeeping errors there, but this is the goal. It's a really poor goal to concede.
Ghana looking for a second. It's a penalty. Achiman steps forward and he makes it easy for Ghana. 2 minutes to go. Ghana have 2 goals. Nigeria have 4 goals.
Nti Ghana and the GF4. Nti Blasters J4 under 17 so 4. Nti teams sampa 4 more for the GFE. Winning command also it say PP. Badukoma coach pa kwesi Fabian. Yedi twin man ebro abosume makoma ko besensi antemni na ose mrantia na wo campa na osusu se omadi mfie du nso no saa mrantia no na omanyi se metu sela kranti yedi MRI scan no etmensan so mrantia de hwe no na is about 20 of players obo ma no wo camp no na is Western Mexico so nyini etmensan atwomti na nse a anosan bobo omo gina no yi nyina ka won ma Nigeria for nyado asa no.
Couldn't play our usual game. We could play the passing time. And, I thought the boys were a little bit jittery. I don't know, but we changed our play time. They were kicking long balls, and really the Nigerians were better. And so we lost. And I think our goalkeeper also didn't help us too much. Normally, I don't want to make excuses, but then. About 3 weeks to the competition, the FA president decided to ask one of the CAF medical men to take an MRI of our boys, and out of 20 people were disqualified. So, like you said, you saw we had used about 3 to 1.5 weeks to build this team and then come here, but then. I think they didn't do badly, even though we lost. I believe that we will come back stronger.
Coach Kwesi Fabian, National Under 17, the Twinkle Little Stars of Ghana, and Nakoba said Nigeria for Chi, a couple and 9. We are Kinsey, my team, you know, our Cape Coast Sports Stadium. Bibia Mitrima, your next game you need to go for and a Group A game, no Friday, a best idea 10 times honum. Now, after the defeat, no, Kwesi Fabian and Como 8 years out to Jano, Okopimo, Cape Coast Sports Stadium, a month for a phenomenon back against in the or more him so betting and Sakotechri. But he back to Ghana Premier League Giants, Kumase Asante Kotoko, and Ra Oma the coronation match 8 years out in time. So now, Oresana Chen is here, Koya, there's a Kotoko 40 Michi, Elimina Sharks, Achom, a Kamiansa. Omantimi Ensimaji, I was Akins, Casey Twensa to Jonim. Now, Oshe guard of honor, a can't guard of honor. I can see a try to editing Thompson, Tima, or ne a Tima, Waji Ekuano, a bit Michiano, or more a bit Etramu Prusi and Sanady, I can see it in so Tini Pimu, our guard of honor. Koba say, Elimina Shas for Etra Prusi, and the microphone in ye.
Ghana's Premier League champions. This evening, they take on Elmina Sharks from Elmina, a team that has not done so well, and ironically, it's the first place Kotoko taking on the last place team in the Ghana Premier League, Elmina Sharks. And then one reason only, his goals have made Kotoko such a dominant force as Kotoko kick off, playing from right to left, and of course, in their traditional all-red outfit. Gathered nicely by Lumped through the middle now where Fabio would operate. Passes one through the middle. Oh, Boateng leaves the ball behind. Last match day of the Ghana Premier League, Tuga gets the ball this time. Richmond laces up one from afar. Good save. Thought they were picking up the pieces, but here comes a free kick. Oh! Do we need to describe this goal? Sublime skill, exquisite effort.
He knows how to bend the ball with power and precision. And just look at Nana Amposa. Just look at the technique and the strike. Went for power over the wall, and goalkeeper is not saving that. Just drifted to the top corner. Then the Ghana Football Association president Kenny Sokreku.
Yes, Sharks have as they come into this. Drilled in from the side against the crossbar. That was close. Fired in nicely.
He got it over the wall excellently well.
It's in the process. And the referee decides that enough is enough. And Sharks get us underway this time. They're playing from right to left.
Trade ball.
The Calcio Italian trade ball, which is bringing all the professionals, including the current Black Stars. Lovely save by Bar. Lovely bend there. Too many green shirts. It's cleared off the line. Miraculously. And a proud moment to be a faithful follower of the Porcupine Warrior. Fabio. Nicely done towards it. Embelao! Lovely skill. The Cameroonian connection, we did say.
Brazil to Cameroon. And that was an amazing goal. Over the top of the defenders. The control excellent from the two guys. The finish immaculate.
And he's delivered the cup. It could be 3. It's been a roller coaster of a journey. Imoros switches one deep. Oh, goalkeeper missed it clearly. Oh, and that's the icing on the cake.
For Infege, and no communication between the two. With a masterclass. Just no communication, but what a finish.
Threads a pass through, and referee Daniel Laye says we've had enough. It's 90 minutes for deep into the night fun and excitement.
The coronation moment is just underway. Alaji MND Jawala also here. Start times have been. They're the best away performing team. They've scored the highest number of goals. I'm hoping 28 goals. The CEO Nana Amposa and Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Aman Kona, Andrew Sapel, Imoro, who had an amazing game with a wonderful goal. Richmond Lante can't help it than to kiss the giant trophy. Patrick Asma, who got sanctioned along the season, is back here to receive his medal. And Fabio Gama, the Brazilian, with his lovely son, receiving the medal as well. Also in crutches. It's now the turn of the champion coach, and Abdul Ganu, the captain for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. 250,000 Ghana City, I must say. And there, together with the CEO and the Ghana Football Association president, as well as Alaji MND Jawala, together with the Ghana Football Association president, Kero Keku, and can you lift up the Ghana Premier League trophy? Fabulous are champions of the Ghana Premier League for 2021-2022. They're the champions, and the golden fleet, the flames are up. Champagne all over. Kumasi Asante Kotoko are the Ghana Premier League champions for 2021 and 2022. They go home, and Coach Prosper Ogun will lift the giant trophy. There, he lifts it up again. It has been an amazing moment for the Porcupine Warriors. This is where we draw the curtains on today's production.
Everybody go!
Kumasi Club ya Asante Kotoko 250,000 Ghana cedis. And this club here, Omunya Bonsua and Akomisanya gold medals Asante Pipso Omujumedia Omudini. But so say from 2020 till date, Kumasi Asante Connect Club Eka Ghana Premier League Omotimia J points dropper. Omunya 123 points. Okay, come points in the boom from 2020. Bepem this time. Next, Omuna das Razufok second. Okita 109 points. Oni Jumedia. Wetimia say Dimu. Yemran Kahana Fioresen and MSC Kosa. Hazufok any Accra Great Olympics and so that in time so. Nana Enyasem Kumakra. Say Hazufok Resen Messi Kosa. There's a league no. Nebon in Yadansi. Kobas a Great Olympics for H has it from a couple of polemiansa. And my Hazufok. Ejum Hubia. Na NG. Osakins Kessia Basso. Our Cross Sports Stadium.
Yo Razak with the ball inside the Akato Folk penalty area. Red Olympics could open the scoring with this one. And it's the first goal of the game. Red Olympics have scored.
breaking strike by Amos. Look at how he sent past Mo Alassane, and then that was a wonderful strike.
So corner kick sent in by Sule, and we have the second goal at the Accra Sports Stadium. Great Olympics have scored again. Who has the ball passed?
Then the job was done way back in there.
And that is the third goal for Great Olympics. Great Olympics have scored the third goal of this game. There, you see the cross from Philip Kwajosaki, and Yusuf Abdul Razak.
In the derby for Great Olympics, they've done everything that you want in a derby, and the referee Charles Bulu has brought the game to an end here at the Accra Sports Stadium.
Inti the Manchester Derby and the Koba say Great Olympics has full for say omukra no me caretakers omunakasa na landlords nankasa mutwom 3 as a fuck ntimi on saba kokra. Other results a PMO week 33 no Ashanti Gold Football Club 2 na Fibichim United 1 Brekum Chelsea 0 Dreams 1 Afiwe Tamale United 1 Kumasi Kemfisa 0 Legon City 0 Karela 0 Adriana Stars 0 Bibiani Go Stars 1 Mediama Sporting Club 2 na Fi Accra Lions and Kranjata 1 Afi Wafa 1 11 Wonders 0 Weni Shisha Sonko no so 18 PM timi no kasa die na ese ni abano no ye twa ni H Division 1 dia na ese Odan Kotoko Football Club for any time youth football club for so dia can see twa to crowd Division 1 18 times so na omo ehwe ni obetwen senya promotion omo ebo wie no na 0-0 but Kotoko as points no was 20 no nam so e ma hwe Kotoko as dia nei omo ana qualify e de omo ni ehre premiership nim omo ache modan ton na ne koba ne se Liberty Professionals for so e dia can see ba ko 20 pempem so a omo ni susu bibi na sa can see no so betwen determine e Kotoko as for fit na so no so ebo wie no na akwa 0-0 e wo dwumedia no so 18 to 21st division no we teams are promote home e wo san hihye ma na omo so enkomoni
League 2 jo my Ghana no emu yire pa ne titire ene zone 3 e ka matches enai ya ide bibia akwawie no teams ahodo miensa Liberty Professionals Tema Youth ena Kotoko Royals na emu ba ko bia betumi di nani akire Ghana Premier League ni mu a enu ntino mu nyina ni abere na no akense twato ne baso a Liberty Professionals ene susubribi ede pomu ekowiase na obia ntumi ahye na danfo na kense tu dwa otemago pramano so no Tema Youth ene ton sade fre Kotoko Royals a omode boss wo akense ne bawie no no obia ntumi ahye na danfo enu nti league ne bawie no se na twede ne koyeye Kotoko Royals ene dasura onya aba no adiosia miensa Liberty Professionals enya adiosia mienu ene Tema Youth atoso miensa onya adiosia enu nti afimu Division 1 League 2 dwane zone 3 obi a wa qualify free wo ye na ni kire Ghana Premier League next season no aye Kotoko Royals
election. They are all isotray. So it tells you the kind of people who runs the Zone 3 football clubs. I believe that Zone 3 is more like a premier club, you know. So winning it's a massive achievement for us. I can tell you, sir, in the whole Ghana, we are having the best coach. Lance's coach. And we are investing so much in development of the players and development of the teams. You look at the support base, that tells you that the club is so big. And we are going to augment it and increase the capacity by
Nti Kotoko Royals Lenford Asamobodu ono anesan Eastern Regional Football Association chairman anani wa qualified na defense chairman o premiership nim anije atana kuma na chen oboni a wonta na omo hwanim se nyame adoma oma bei oma be kirombo bere e dwumadi a wo mo eguso edi nti we ni nkoma eno so defense premier mere ne kopi nyame adoma o kina be sa abo akire biu na eden kuma wodo atia say PPA mu ewuko zone 2 a Samates also anything qualify from Samaboy Western region almost hwese na City a 67 points and omunya from 30 matches a almost 8 years boy no na nyamya adoma almost ye de omunko obetu ansa bere ochina eni na chi afi hom se na Messi consider Telema City and afi nso Tamale Football Club almost conclude league no 71 points each hwese na Messi kwa head to head no ama almost at the playoff akins kese ebetimi Asante Tam so mepem no e be side date no etu ansa bere oche no so bio e ma me say 1xbet I've always told you that betting is better than cycle open bet there mananya 1xbet omne techri and afi so kwa Jeffas Health Limited e de Jeffas edu tetahwe no ebo echidom Sedimo gel and roll on Makacho that said the ultimate pain relieving gel also techri yipa ne this adwumede kase etimi ebreo within the Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up the only nomenclature the professors degree in sports and I'm trying to of course evidence based sports presentation it me jaw rather than any man kase you be any da suni and found court be any da so me so asudie ya boat man ya adoma in terms of entertainment there or den kumu mu de and 18 sabre cause am afidie na Adom TV so prof Mashabaranki
One some wonyimpa and the pay me refer all the youths of Ghana wiki mi mo maya waka amana edwuma no mo maya fa ye hu hyem amana samno mo ma ye fa ye hu hyem na ohianyen papa good morning me mo akwa abasonko mra sepa edwumezido oye wosomfo mame boatema the Fantidol president for the Brothers and Sisters Association na mama wakwa aba no mama nyon konsam no do part 2 na weekend SMBC or social media komo bi kodo wo honom na mpefo asem bia woka za wokanye da obi biara ofom no wenhu da wa afom no na nyimpa no enya correct atasa ele ya tepe because se efoma o se de ihu da afom Merka ekwekusiru there your whole man ehu na Samini we post a video na beka dem make sure that Samini was school according to Legon one rules no oye wakwa there say epede fa one doors ni monkotenza o se de kuta one card ni bi oye requirements as a fa one gate ni mo na your whole man ehu da Samini post a video opede ofom na onkita card ni bi na security man na yire nyu aman do onyaza obama sapsa mini wa forget ni mo na you know opposite no I'm sure that no share some reaction of shaman Ghana for we abagin do de bia na security man basin ko boy na but onye bi ni mo keke da man nanso no majority of the people wanyina anya adwen atasa na wopero ka shenda Samini inyi mombra no just follow it na na lankasa no otase but before that no me yenhwe video Samini o posti na yembra
see this guy he didn't go on gate there at the go school I left my card for the other car inside the guy say no go make a pass see you see everybody go see you be our guy, but today I go pass. Yeah, see this guy.
Ain't you know a video as Samini or posti on social media or meeting a lot of rage. A bit more honorable was supporting, but the majority of the people what Samini do what is right. Ain't you know urban and damo pair and a Samini ohunda no why a mistake into no or apologize immediately into no Samini na apology. Maman Kanamo say, after my post about the incident at the security gate, I realized majority of you advised that I should have done the right thing. Nothing makes my case right regardless of how many cards I have and how upset I got. No card, no entry. Apologies to the young man doing his job. Hey, Samini. Mamuntu chamo wanepe ate. Mamuntu chamo wanepe because ye go bi okrom ha de nyimpa no nyimpa da za why you wrong. Now so no baby ojina na ojina. Onyaza olu move nde na we move echina. Sandra Kapos, it takes courage. It takes courage for Samini to come out, a superstar, owodom ampa onye bi no mo what na chirize nso no or realizing that he was wrong no he came out to apologize and they pay you to chomo baby e wo bia now so no yehu the University of Ghana for no so waba reacting to no also wonders I was about ni let no watch on the bebre 1000 but what show working na anye there oyaza electronic card no UG electronic card no or you required this inkite bi paza forget it no entry ntitsam watch on no card no entry inkite bi ameka for ho na sa mini kura wente na wo mame ye face we na ye basin kwaye na nyim na nye baby ana we superstar wo ho na se muruko menyima guru na enyim de guru oyaza na onyi wuta yedwana mechre wuta kobe na wuta efriye na guru aka se bia fa wuta efriye ho a oye wa chero bebe no kai bombom kakra osnu subanan kai awo mayente NKZ president na yembrace sia
for ansana your ball first song no AK47 no eno de say enu hanen sanwam who dey say ska no ashe
yes
because emphasis ama sa agenda no
profit and loss
no maybe I don't mind say me before I may go into music management meaning say me boka mesia wini bi inti edru certain level no sisi ye de ba kuno too ma the day they were recording even Bronya there was a fight, a serious fight between the group. Yes.
Against you or
the
themselves?
Same person. Yeah, listen. Wuta problem is free. And I'm telling you, and the industry knows. It's about time they put some of these people on, makes them know, say, certain things they have to stop. Because some of the investors in the industry are called drain.
So many nights have I sang till my heart sings no more, just to see the burning desire. Oh Lord, so many nights.
I want to cry more time. You know, one of us over cock now. So Subana is over back because Wuta, hey, back to back hits. When you be anyone more drop here and you're name your hits. Now so no, so that make care now. One friend is one who call Suban. I return one. And then I investors in the cry. Ni hires. Every pay investor mpono on your easy. Do business kabasha and then feluna okay or yes overall together on social media. And then you be more okay Azarian or a fine to for misconception no. On your sample. So when you be more investor, like having. Wuta yapon the chow. You one hits nas not way no ho into knows that all one issues biano yes someone once na hono one can so baby na azibia way ya on your fine one drop bi no one for damn rubber ya ye benya hit for saraka po mo ko be you say ba bu ko be nyim na me so call I was a pay extra now me hu down was a pay extra worry some very interesting shows why bibi wodo I am very very interesting pa say sisi ara me work say so do Saturday na so wore panyum papete ya wala se pede enjoy some good music here no ya was a pay extra at 8 p.m. or Sunday last week no me ka ba ku na wa botwom no ono dam Saturday no some gospel bi pa wo twa wodo na me fa handkerchief for fie twam ho sawe back and forth na this Saturday, our best no kwe soro wanye wa fa tu for mama he no kra bisa kede okope umu odo na hit ni back to back live band performance. Woo! I was a pay extra. Why extra into no yenhwe bisa kede ne performance na embrace here.
It's been 10 years, you know, since nyame edeme to platform issue. Nema be bring to me. A Western award into no me ma award emu ma bem.
If I talk who fie na wo hwe me sesia je so ma me. Emeko no kan ya mo pani enya mamu e. Emeko no kan ya mo pani enya mamu e. man kakra was say graduate prayer dia jamedi atekano ateka yeah ateka what they get here when you pesika wa manza wa kwefuamu wasumu video bi anga wo ba mokua na sa unyo twen asomu go Abba brother many a day maju wanna to bade me you kuma sebema me jimeni I no complain odinti wa beji me enye so be gumeni mu ase ewo me nam fufu ni mu chale na me te we yatima kuma mprensa ebubu mi o e ma me start no mansa yes ya de nku no to me chira onyansa odo me show if I work for you promise me.
Oh God, I will say extra mupacho mengen and say there COVID-19 no wasareba. Oh, into no man san she dem yum na ye dem no now say extra obe bro entertainment and yum no ma enjoy e twa wona na ase am dem ru twa na ase into no e bo join them ai Saturdays at 8 p.m. na ye na ase kakra na me fi honom na minyunzi ye potential Grammy Award winner Patapara Misty obaji Grammy amehen na watch them no ho we steady as na we hu be my problem no wo mo ye ya ga na fu yentumi nje Grammy no patupa baka chehe na ai mati wase na PZ yen free honum kaka na yen zun komo bi kakra na oyaza mo hwehwe because make some statements we do dem Ghana for ye free there one corner or a very big song chende black ho ni new song kweku the travel
so no podi mama mala na nansi ya mama ne petrol asa
kweku the travel and petrol nasa
kweku the travel mambe pameni mkakra o say ye wondum nyame na ma obi aye hit obi obey hit bia so man ndum baako no dey aba be hit from there no then you struggle for yourself and before one corner na buy no so say me no mpo na me kita social media handles na dey nyame ni bi me dey just I say yakopon bi na agi boom but what they say we share Kweku the travel already no kita social media handle because yes I track no the bar first mami kwati ase people I don't know the reason why they are comparing that song to my song one corner but what I say na ka won fa from point the assembly because e be gd me say sandom ni be gd who say na be gd obe formantin bia na obi atu go from point the assembly but ndimi ya what they compare enko bia and na sisi ya no travel no ne patrol asa na want to mentia so
now where's about the measure the means me busy
kasa ubo Kweku the travel how many days ni
nde yala mpo ma tere worbo
Ghana bloggers mu ye wikido mu dada ni pona na mu na hwe opu what's when say wobo bia am ko yeso ya wobo Nigeria for 100 mi kunkura na no South Africa woti Kweku from Paul
Nteli cheme anyum na abofom date
say ma am ye na hwe because say artist ne ba mu man so kakra odu top am ahwe ni mu so akwa we okasa o chia na no ombu ade na mu na sensen ho
reason komo bi pa
so mama ka ati ase ye wo artist na ye wo artist banyame no emo bia be den artist nti abofra ne ba eyese mo ye ma o push forward no bo say fan base na why man ti man ne desa oh me na me follow ne pa wo ye me tim kan say aboy no ye good but mo ye na ne tim ye den en ye ne de sa na wan kona wo de be di Grammy wo de be yesi ya na ofen na kwa me yuji ba ofen Angela then what ko follow on so kakra okay since akwa me yuji mpuma ne say galekidi na owo so no ana Three Music Award she Ghana Music Award she
Jema kwa me yuji nkra yesan
but mama say what I say nti say onipa na kwa na so kita hita na say yepese yakwaji Grammy a say ye dey full support you say ndum e kwa ye di dinechi but one for nipa na nkwa challenge Send me to me for one corner and challenge because one corner and kofu we bubu. First I make a sample. And Juma make a salmon to me I mean jumpuno. Nature me the program member. Wa kadia nai ma this am I show we are by. What is obo kuku the travel? And Juma obo go from pond the assembly when I yet here by. So what I say.
Chima one corner still the best of all time.
Oh no, we can't insusin. Won and Juma a creative problem. Ah, how I dream of being put me fee. So I say, and so no one send me to my petition. I've watched my pan. And in Juma G Buma. Obi to me Fukube. Me put make a plastic chair and cast a billion a bubu. I say, one cast up, I say, Grada.
Hey. Hey, watch out, won't forget to messenger no your message night, Mr. One. Chawai, or may your message no chilma, comparison no. Na ye compare no, or no Rukuhen. Into young potential Grammy Awards winner. Patapao chilman, Pocho won't get a walk compare no one corner no. Because on now, don't one corner now was the Amoko Grammys. Aye. Into no, may face ya na young boy henum quay in him na. Yeru caught him in me, quackesse. Easy. Wow! And the pay Michelle no ye pokes na one shall watch him bram Cape Coast of Pocho. What a man can pay a warm ram and find to doconats in the city alone, Cassandra if you menu. See, docona be crana. Oh, no answer marrying into no National Cathedral, ya. A day finance minister, cultural letter 25 million. There, accountant and controller. One J. Now, one check cathedral, you may have some bay reactions be brave, but also no quackesse, wakassembly, upon a chop, or make it in. Let me
tell you the painful truth. See, you are the biggest fool. You are the stupid fool. If you think, say, Ghana need a cathedral, a church, instead of gutters where the water go pass through. See, it rains small, flood everywhere. Water no get place pass, so they pass through people their house. People they die, and you go tear money, big money like that, go build a church. Meanwhile, Action Chapel they there. If you want church, you want cathedral, Action Chapel they there. Why they no go use do cathedral? Huh? Then they take Ghana, you say Ghana is broke and we are taking all our money to build a church. Massa, anybody where they support this church, you fool. God self will punish you. I'm telling you. This is the painful truth. God is not happy.
Hey, wow. Ziggy Z. Na Mopocho, a Christian for this maybe so there. Na wasn't Cramofu, wasn't one to call Mecano. In him that bands in Cramofu Mecca every year na. Oh, ya banaka. Eho, into Nunki, you don't call a little talking for the Christians. Mopocho, when more better Murian pay there be. May I wear pardon from Martins in the assay, schools and the trees. May I wear pardon, some communities do not have water. May I wear pardon, there are pressing needs. None so no Mopocho was me, told us make a cry. Men fund the mango because I can fund the mango now. Nearly a beat arguments and all. But the best I have. Pocho Mumba National Cathedral was some one. But the best I have is in the Mammy Boats, Mother Fantador, President for the Brothers and Sisters Association, Portia, Prince, Thomas, and now why Cameron Osmosis, yes, sound, Stella Touch of Kumbe no Chumenim, Sandra Sana Capo, AM producer, Welbeck Kofiam Pedro, and a press lana man producer director, Dacha Henesotechi, Boko, Muruso video Nini, Jina Shai, Moko.
I want Shaba. Malanyada me premico heading there. Freemason for moon register, Nam watch them, Dodo. Moon register, watch them. I was sending message. I'm on a prize. Upon some small than the phrase in Yiparado. You know, you're on some old. Young Monko say more on summer. You, I want Shaba. Malanyada me premico heading there. Freemason for moon register, Nam watch them, Dodo. Moon register, watch them. I was sending message. I'm on a prize. Obonsam so mo de ne phrase nyipa dodo. Ye nya ya obonsam o. Nya mo nkwese mo obonsama.
Medofo me moache nimpre no so yede ahia ewo efisem dwumadi so na ene nkomo no sofodan atrase dada oba beboawo eto da bia so obi yi nanim sei no de nasem no ba otumi hu se akwakoye safo a ebie afoforo nso apono ede ama ofise nya obi a no betumi anya akwanya no ede ne de abedan yen titu se sofodan tenase a ayenya adaje ene ikura de abefo nti ofonu aso betumi aso fi TV ne ho na o hwe wo phone so wo bra obehwe Adom TV e wo Facebook e na afa Instagram na ne nkomo aye de na de asem na si de sie ne se ekunu no pebro enti ayire na ne nye ne ho se waya na yakayaka de ama adwen aba o yire tirimu ne se menya wuduro kura mpo a me de begu aduane mu ama na de ewu na wafiri me so akọ aya na afe me yekuna wie a wawukọ na matena me ba bia adwen me ho sister eho ne kakra ne de enti na so for dance so atenase no enti oba beboa ye na afi ebe ma opebro wonso tie hebie na na enti a opebro no efi na kodayo na adwenbone ama ba tirim se ode awuduro kura begu aduane mu ama wadi ye wakwanya se eba be disankomoyi esa nwumakuo yi ada romanti se nsio toto dubo se call kra na wo ya na emu na ho papa saa na TV no nso ya na to da bia na etie ubonse na elini chuchuchuchi titiro sensio toto a kona kope HD plus decoder ebe yi saa ha oni nyina afiri ho wo de mensio nto na apra na anwuwa ne waye bone no sura pra na se wo TV pa na wo hwe na wo HD plus decoder na asembie ni ho wo behwe TV no na wanya TV hwe mu feely experience for 0242 439 872 na osokojode afa Grace Gift Herbal Clinic semen control say sanyare way woye ho adwuma na mum say din frihia no dunum 15 years a ode no kora ne nyamesuro ka kiro say emfama ho wo muntumi ensama say wani afra na edi 15 years a oba ho no mu a omo ne hu ahoden eni hu nimde eni tumi eye no kreka ena omo de ye adwuma nti apart from eno no yare bia etete obia no nyagidie say omo de haban ne abefo beka bom no ma sa yare Grace Gift Herbal Clinic ewo Asante de ni wo Kumasi Ohim School Junction Barakese kwan no so ena enkrade ne so Achimota Petroleum ene Family Life School no ena edi enhwe 0244 126 124 and as 0246 518 003 na men for St Andrew Senior High School so ma so mo boarding sanso wo day na ebia na opese obanko ankrankre Senior High School pempenso no bia ensign we hu na anu ikroma bebie branch ba ko oteshi school ne ya eyenti wo de ko school mu hokeke aya na opasem na be hu se wo de obakọ ho ana se wankasa nso wani abrese opese okọ school no eho na betumi aboa for 0244696911 and 0257312448 akwanya wo ho wo muguso a eje enkrofo Piwak Healthcare for ena mabefu nimde so de garlic aye dre din odi atoso no 3p garlic mixture na nenti edin 3p garlic mixture no yare bia ha no onum bia ko mu a anka abedi ho adanse kone kope bi bebia wo bia Kumasi ho takrade sunyane enye na wo ne mo fresa na mbesi na wonsa intumi kembe 0248 928 824 and 0201 000 wonsa betumi akebi GRA tax no a eye double taxation no mo amotua no mote ase dada enti yen wo container mu ne ye yensa no nyuma no ne sa de ne ye tax ayetua no entwe ma obi anfa krokro metum because ho na odidie ade beche na de tax kantini akwakotum a ehe na abedidie so ho nti ye wasede na koso aye wadwuma brano bia ewo asumdwem Franco asem de mekan metwa ne tia de ne number amount if you say na that romantic phone air condition TV say crowd the fridge abeka ho oni how ko Franco ho na kwajo de fi se na no ofi sum Ghana fo no adansede ne etrodo say enfum so bia ama me bata ho for 0246 422-338 and 0555-939-311 na ene Francophone eni enkita ho. Multi TV adarment de bia metena ha meka say we ye bad time pa na se TV hwenti sebi obi koto oba mona ana obi de nsa kowo oba se obi kosese ne ba TV hwenti eneyi a na wa momoden saa so na we yekunu na se TV hwenti oyere ko he TV obi dem oyere ko he TV obi dem na so de mi ko he TV no wa ne gusu a eyi domodon chance ene wala eti Multi TV se kura se modern se o manu benya adesuasua e wo so de bia me ka se joy learning ba Multi TV sui menya daje na se me hwe mass no se de teacher for ne channel me hu se na anu me jeja me ho e na se Israelite bo me ma hunu sa bre no na joy learning wo ho a akamas no ko nya me momeda so hu eti ma oba no enya bi wo bra wo kwa akohwe wo mo be hwe joy learning e wo Multi TV boss no so upe bi etu aton upe bi wo fi a 0244 340 415 0244 340 I say Israelite no trade or sectex say no o share me mass wo assume secondary school no na sem na make na no obi bisam say eyo no na no de oboma pa ne ono a ono na sem na make say Israelite pacho mache say me na mte hey nya me bo me ma bio pacho mache busia afa ye ni ye komo no na so for that na me boa eti na se me menya sa akwanya na nsua joy learning TV so na ne sa akwanya ne wo ho na ye bebo ba wo bra wo ba so nsan hu ade a say ye wala because ko jira chibom hu aya he na ache koto Multi TV na o ma no enya joy learning nsua de e wo so ya ka ne sa wie no afa ukodwa so a sa dwa ton de ohia bi nko ato na omunya sika na omfa bi meboa na afisem nso yentumi eni enkomo afa me da anuanom ene ebusuafo nyina sena no odo amoda na di ede kire me da no memenda no mani so dododo ne titru anasefo ne enyumayefo ne ayarefo amwo St Dominic's Hospital akwatia medamase in fact medamase Constance Abwaje medase pa on security for no of asame ni obia medamu nyina ase nyame ensha mu nyina sofo dampa cha kwaba
ya bia me de
na apom te sen
apom na say apom ye there is a lie there na me jiro
is a lie na bo me wo ye ya se me hu so amfa enyam diem no na so twi teacher no ono ne efre no owura ono de wa amomeda de obebo me no say enne me sheda bo pese me bo no kire bi waka na mum nyese wutinye na so ma se ne de bia na obo me na matinti
you want to be so I say a share boy okay say me a parent na me so for sent ya no abom pa say rade o ma wo ba na adwene
okay
kania
that's it yeah
o ma wo ba na adwene de kania when God gives rade ma wo ba na adwene kania otimi hunu ade timiti ase esan say to the bia na bo anadwene sunsum no ada ya ma ne sunde na ada
and me mas no na ada well afi yemra yen common so pacho menken kan we kakra yi ma na afi te yen common asiye ereya sim no say I want out but I'm afraid of the stigma of divorce not just the upper chance of so oja ware no na so se nipa beteten sa won so say oh we wo kwa ware kra na oja na oba betena ha enti na enti opeso oja ware no asem no nie I married him at 23 but we dated for over 7 years and both families were aware of our relationship. One day he beat me and I had to let the police arrest him, and afterwards I lost and formed an emotional feeling for him, but our families won't allow me to leave him. We had meetings upon meetings, and for my father's sake, I had to agree to marry him. After marriage, he won't even help me to take care of our newborn. He is verbally abusive and stalks me even when I go to work. He has tracked my phone and even reads my messages. He talks to me rudely, and as it stands, I don't even want to see him because I can't stand him. I don't want him to even come close to me in bed. And in few times I have given in to him, He had sex with me as if he is a monster, but it only leaves me with pains. I contemplated poisoning him at a point, but I'm afraid, so I stopped. But I'm slowly losing it. What do I do? Sofodan waha into asembi say obebwa ama weya no nanso ansana obebwa okra no to the extent of poisoning him no dear. It's a not. It's a no. But Sofodan waha if it's a yes. So for bacha asemi na da hoyi.
One the wakana dey eche ahwefo nyo the wakana dey so nyaba poison. But a lot of people have poisoned their marriages.
Sawo.
Enye drunk na do gu ademu a. That is why poison. There are more.
It said they all kase ni kun ye no eno kra ye wudro. Onipa hu na na ye ma show. Onipa otimi bo ma ofra posifo ma no. Onipa one wo dam pem kra so yire ni okun a.
Yes.
I say also a monster. Onipa otimi track your phone. No kenkan o messages and ni na poison ni bia.
On say you can wudro say your kwan bebre I see there are so many ways of killing a cat. Obu o dey tru na born obu o dey second.
Okay.
Obu also o mani numsho mani shenefo no dey ade born. Emu bia no ko no. Enti see a share this message a follow under nipa bebre aware me friend no disappointment in marriage. Say nipa bebre aware but o my disappointed. Manu omo ho. Ye kase sese nipa bebre o wa o ma ware a omo omo se nipa no
oware no enye sa ware na wa ware no nemum nipa wa ware
nipa no ware no no ho se
na so suro se ojaye a nipa betene ne nsa won so se oh we wakwa ware aba wakwa ware me eja no wakwa ware kojaye nti not ho
ti bebre atra ho so awu ayo ma be ma no so asa ware foforo
okay
ana oba no so ware foforo nti sa ne me ekoso disappointment ewa ware mu no adoson
ede na deba
ni edi kan eye fapem na ware ni gina so also o dating say
for 7
years which means we the 16 years no dating bema oye immature
iti de na ese na ni ko ho no na ni anko ho
debi
okay
o dating ni pan 16 years no di 16 years no e no dating ni pan
okay
for 7 years
okay
the 7 years no heading
it's not going to say me wo boy me wo girl sa bre no sa so bi no
ono se ntio ono date for fun
okay
fun nije nije say oh ye beje ni ye pie ye konum bibi kakra na sex ene emu styles ene mu ne ho ene omodwene ho
okay
but see ya transisi ye dwene ho say ye wade a obema ben ese me wa no anwene ho da because one say afi no enye aware na solve obo ase me ware obejai solve our problem this how afi why worse because nipa na tibia na otim tibia na nyini afi abana so first na tibia na nyini ye
okay
isi ade nyini na so aba na afi why worse enti aware wo ware a one year one no bia na one no obi ya ware bema
na ye ware
boy
but o si ye ware hwan
e ware bema
na ye ware boy na hwan ne boy na hwan ne bema
once a boy de oya na de say boys ono ne oni onwin ade bia ye ni da so ade onwin ade bia ye da chia ade odwene ne odwene me na nije odwene ma no ho ato no eno nko a
odwene se abamu
adwene se na abamu bia adwene ye na ade no saa no ye no hu abrabo se nti oni asede bia nti oya na ade a onye na ade so obi asede eno mpeso obefo obi so asede so ayeden akane de ho nti ono menkwa maseta se na medwene na emedi na emefra ne mema nkofo hunu se mesumi wo ho nkofo beji se mesumi odi mesu ade mesumi me wo ho bi mesumi a guy eno ana odwene ho asa na emom ye trase se ye chichira bushia onsa ware de uri be chichira bushia 2 ye bobra madache 3 ye fa su di ato ye ho so 4 ya hwehwe yankase anigye 5 ya hwehwe yankase apom di ni yankwa no eni na ni so
Anti Sunday may obobo so nyina ye ade esese obi kwa aware a ohwese ewo ho. Ana nipa na me ne kwa aware no owo saa ni su ade hu no. Enti me so me wo no me de ekoka ne ho a ebe ma ye duru saa botae no ho.
Won say on ware obi akeke infa na okro.
Okay.
Because nipa na wa na okwai. Ndu kwadi na chi no. Wodo okwai.
Nti me kwa kwatia. Na se nipa no so ani kire wale a. Na me ho.
Enya bo akwa kwatia kwa dankaye. Who be so say ah meaning? No, a lot of people. That one. People be what do they do? Want to say oni baby oko. Enti adamfo bia betul fo si yankwa no de akire.
Enti meti hey se me wo ba ana me wo nua bi ana me wo nyonko bi na me bisa ne say die enti na akoware ana die enti na person wa no ka tell because me pe no enti a oni baby oko ono ye saa nipa na oni baby oko
me hu na me nya tinka bi se me feeling bi mu se me makoma bom kunkumche kunkumti mu se o me pattern deception because you see o ware obi a o wani swade hu
okay
enfa na okro oni obi edi nkomo na hu no se baby da ni chire ni wo sa branti opeso obobra
okay
obi opeso obobra no hu na adwene ne ye no ye nye ne oka nko obu ane aka obu anudwa o
okay
obu ane oka nko patoshe na na montuo ne oye ni nyana owo daachi bi opeso okro nti se odi hu babata sa nipa no anoma kro no ma mutaka sen omutubom nti me hu babata nipa no a sa nipa no owo ni swade hu ede adwene bi nti metimi aye oboafo ama no ma wotimi duro no nso aboa me
okay
ma me so me duro me dia nti o worry obi a marry somebody who is a leader who has a vision, he has a purpose o you be obotaye o ye okandifo o wasud o timi fa so de to no so
okay
the same pan so ko school o sa kwara be okra na pacho won say you wo fie bu so bu a o de yetimi de ye nua be maja no ana ye nua ba ja no
ai
yes
ana ne ma me kwafuom ana ne ma me kodwa so ana bi kwa ne ma me koye ne tiaba onsuro so de ne beja no
yes be hye ahwe makola na didi obetutu bibia o ye bibia betia no
okay enso sa ne baba ko bi ne ho de na de be hye kirako
yes because ono no oja no so ato akola no ko bobo
okay
so do you clearly want to say we no or any swade men mare be ma esanse owiska men ware be ma esanse ofrebusia papa bi men ware be ma esanse oyo wagidin o fame wagidin men ware be ma esanse bibi won ho a eya akono
okay
ware be ma esanse oye nipa owani swade hu
okay
oni baby okro owo atinka ne tema se obetimi afa ho aka ho na wotimi du akwaduru sa atubia no
okay sisters no nyina me gidi sa no pe ma ya so ama suffer dan ensem ya wanko consultation ankochi akapre na so de ma ofre nti ubeho se sisters ni bi wo ho a ye pe guys wo ba ahu so no no ba no ne bibi ya mo se krefen sense sneakers yo se hwan no he otum se cratch o ye guy wa gene chebi ne komu chen bi egugu ho no just o ba na te se me boy no me kunu no ye guy so oni adwen e de dwen tena e no mmoa wo
wo de obi a wo adwen wo tena bia ya young guy bi o te san on sneaker person
na opeso o chese o mo form ho bebre sneaker for no
I'm not saying so
but I hear tight sa
wo de share abranti a obobra owo baby wo na ni so odwene se ne sika obekra e de amadachi
okay nti oye ne ho ne
oye na ne ho ne de
on rely on brands
ye wo bu o ho a oye be friend Joe Impre opeso impress
okay
Joe Impre for no opeso impress nti ade no oye ne enyo original e wu nti no oye ebu okra kwasre no say no dey impress
na matwea ma no
the sandy pano ye tua ne kakura on fa so din sika nyina beton tade to impress you enfa na okro but obi a opese here Michelle Brante bi na me ne di nkomo na am say dan so man straight for baby anopo ye shushan kon na me so free us me free be kwai so free be kwai no be shushan wo akra yes o say wi am tonkube
okay
adwuma no ma yeti
anopa no ye shushan awia no atonkube anwumre no ayeti aton
asime pomode abo sika no kosi down me krom o adwokuta
eti ushia no na sebe ne ho basa na okura shushan we no obo konkonkon a owodachi onimdi ohwehwe onim baby okọ enye school awako owadwene bi se me wo baby a me kro eti de me ye ni nyina nsa nipa okọ ya sneaker person I see
Badwam no say me pese me kosi dan e wo mi krom obu ase me hu se me nuanom obre me pese me kofo mu bi e be ka me ho e de na ma abono na ka abono se ba no e do aka abono e de na ma brekum eye brekum obi abefo ni nua koy e na ko brekum abogasa yes adentra nipa bi hunu se me ebusua me firi me ni ye freni ma me mokwan ema ebinim aka to so na ofade nuanom ne ewom ne se ye ware bema owani swade hu ene ye ware oba so yo boafo
Okay, enti ereya semya ode bre yen ena ye gina so na ye tufo na wamo ani ada ho se uwo mu dada fa ode efrim afei na wo bekom nso a fa ode efrim na otumi ni obi twempra for 7 good years na empra twenty for 7 years record ne aware na eda ye ho ade ewie kono ena ho yira wa ma adwenbo ne timi ba atum se menya wuduro kram de bema na dia basofo dan sa ho no kakra sa statement no obi wo ho a wa kyerem se obi wo ho a enye eduro pot ode bema wodi na no kasa timi kum kakra
obeye ne ya ode kum papa bi guys ba ku yiri we na omoko ye ni ekosie oba no na guys no we nimu na ba ku ka se sanka me pa na nka me yiri wu ya nka ba bi do sa de yiri su jire chire obu gas su jire chire otie so we di yire wu o ma daf ba ku yire wu ene ba ku ka se sanka me pa na nka me yiri wu ya nka ba bi do
this at eti a ote hunde
yes ani oba no ompe no nipa bebre aware nipa omompe wo enti ompe no o hwe se bibi besi
na wate ne ho afiri
wo yi afiri
well but fa bibi twato ma ye ne fancy
won se aware afe aware de aware ye nhira nenso ye bomode an ewuram ye nhwiri nsim penimde ababa awa de akoso ni na bisa won se wane ne futufo sanka wo ofutufo bi a otunufo a anka bra no obeche ne se se na se nipa bia no wapro nipa bia no wase se be ma na otese denko na adwini bi ne danitrim so obomode apemmo a ebetumi ama adwini ne adane no egwo no adane ya be yi sentini se so oboma ne dane na se no odwini nka ompe oba no bo nu se ema ye ware won se be dowo ye ware won se omo de anika ne anije bebrefia ebia na adwen be sesa amana ni aboye no oba bie no yo bafo ba bie no yo bafo unim de obeje wodachi de ohunu se efemfefefe shemshem ne no ebia na dachi no enye fe de wo na ne ye niye na mani nso de be nhyirama
ye be pesa amoa no ti agese efro nti ye beje number no
0249 805747 0249805747 na 99 dos nti ude bia we voice message we text message be do fie nwumra be reply obia messages
ye da se nyame nhyira na ne want to hwe kra no fa to chirim se aware no ye nhwiri nsim nemu yewuram ye da se nyame nhyira abusi aka me ne won komo foforo Mr. Ocheme meba bekom ikra no obeye sinema asiesi brother nkoto washing machine ene de santokwa yiba obekom de bia brother yomo ni aduane ade ache so na kampeso akodi de ehye fridge mu sister kokan yepe ho akade a ene akasakasa ama na ninka ewa ware yasi enti ye beboawo na ene sofodan na di sankomo na wie no bebia obenya nema ebetumi ama efie nso asomdwa aba ho no eno so atumi aba se to de bia ye no kro be ma na bre oba ne so abre obo hu na ye bufu enye so mo no mo ho but akade bia ni ho nti na de sa de na kwakoba eno nti na Kennedy digital satellite adwen ho o ma ofia kade na wo boa nso amwanya adwuma ayo na akohoma no kre ma no so tumi de tokwaba beka se mo nom ho so na mo dom ho meboa akohoma e mantia SK akwaba Pacho, and then so many ahwefo de mo wo ma Kennedy for
even now so far some Emrantie na omoye say impress
Joy impress
so hu asem no ne ka no ene mpaboa ba akobo
ayo
jeans ba akobo
ayo
top ba akobo
ayo
watch ni gu kun ni san gu nsa
ayo
o boxer designer o singlet designer o kan bomu a etimi to fufu machine
brothers muntie hey
enti
sisters nyina
abrabo no sebi o asikafo na hu omo ne no omo ye sacrifice emri bi atwam
okay
na emri bi atwam no omo namfofo hye ntade omo namfofo to cars na omo ntobi
okay
na omo invest enti se wo pese wa abrabo ye mrema wa anope ye futuo no sofo de ama ye so de bi to so chassie na invest in your life ebia wo ya ban adwuma ene wo nwoye sika eba but wo fe say oh designers are person wo hye edamu a person wo siesie enti person wo be invest sika no ba bia ba me ne wanka sika no ka me bi beto fufu machine se me san to susu na ekonani mu a me san de bi ato abro machine me de bi beto mako machine wo beto deep freezers wo beto washing machines ni nyina ye de bi adwuma enti wani bete no na joy imprefo no the next 5 years a ono be hyase se obewo obeware no na ni sika nso no samre na wo so anya sika bebre enti minua no mo mema ene mma no mo mientie ni yie wig ba akobo etimi to fufu machine ema ebi adwuma ma wunua na otie akurase no memetena krom hihye wig so ye slave queen no so ye den den
okay
mesro Kennedy digital satellite echiaga na fo nyina na de ye ka kire mu ne se ene wo ba ya so ye ba bibia wo Ghana Accra ne Kumasi a ye de ye boa wo no wasan nya income foforo de aka usika wunya ho enu tina me de number yi ma wo pe commercial fufu machine ni bi ana commercial mako machine commercial abro machine a for 0244 38 51 28 0244 38 5128 and answer 0243 074 750 0243 074 750 number you fra baby a wo bia Ghana no answer you ma mo number no we scan atum e de oniema be ma delivery ama won sa aka wo hwe TV ni so a number se ne negu ho no e pa cho fa ne phrase si a ye maba wa ne beje wo so ama ko machine no mfaso wom ekrum ha wo so ya wa animu a obedi dokono ni nyina so yetwumako woni say dokon for no any time a obetran ase obetwumako saa e adwumaden wuntimi kura anye jeni ne beko wani garlic ne beko wani kekaduro ne beko wani eni nti minua wa wo de wo adwuma bi ye ba wonua bi ni adwuma bi ye no to machine ba ako fakosi dwem efama no every day when you sika ma wo kura no obenya more than 300 cedis the amount enti we dey say 300 cedis na wo a wo bi adwuma no wo fa baako o de baako to machine ho na o de baako so eto ono so botomu a at the end of the day abrabona na e ko no obi a ho beto no fufu machine no so no wo ye choba operator me no ka say say covid ba obi a mpese obekoto fufu a obi gina so wo amfifiri gum onim yare a oni pa ko de ma no ye hwinso ogum nim so kro enu nti ene Kennedy edo su ko ne kofa fufu machine ba ye na fufu machine no anokwasem se Ghana fo di hu mfaso nti se wonte ya wo so pebito na obedi hu mfaso wo pedi yusufu anase lighter ni nyina bi ho wo di abaya ne se wo be frɛ wo 0244 38 51 28 0244 38 51 28 phrase si a anase 0243 074 750 wo TV ne so numbers ni go ho fa frɛ yen fufu machine mfaso wom choba ona utobia ebema wadwuma na ye ntentem se first waduane na bin by 12 as se waduane be bin by 8 se first na we ye dare sen be mienu a ene ubetima ye dare sen be nsia sanse aduane ne be bin ntem manfo ba be didi ntem obi abenya kwan abetobi enu achi no Importem na choba o na wa wo no kra no omo pese omo de omfufuo ba me ye wo ma omo nyina ne nyina machine be yesa won san nya another sika e de kan sika ho wonso awuni adwuma to bi fasi wo importem na ebe ye sika ne mfaso de bebre de amount Kennedy digital satellite e de yesi aba magana ni mabunu no titiriwu ma me papa wa emre oba pension ji machine bi fasi ho fama oba no nhwe so every day ebe ye sika de amount dokronfo no mo amoy tete moriton wodwem mo so a mo ye dokono bebre eton won kran ha aburo dokono anase bi sen kran dokono ne infant dokono ntel dokono ni nyina ye de commercial bro machine su biaba commercial bro machine no ni nika ye bia ye mane traso kra aburo na ye bag dodo se be yam ni nyina a very portable a commercial one a bo dwuma papa enti mo amo ton dokono obia ampe machine bi Number we so free ayen sabe count 0207 65 30 31 0207 65 30 31 o free sesi a ye beje so o hwe screen ne so a numbers ne gu ho no fa ne free yen na ye beje so ne apɛ machine si bi dia ma na de ye adwuma wonye sika menuanom aposifo aban adwuma efo soldier fire service nurses wo de wonye bi a wo ye o but wa chiri ba no unua no ono oye bibi onye bibi wahu so tifie kwa na wo na de bia wo ma ne chop money wo no fa pay slip ebreye wa katua fa controller bia fa pay slip breye upe abro machine baako upe commercial fufu machine baako commercial mako machine baako no ye yi di amount ye tete wo kakra apart from that ye home appliances ni nyina de upe bia wo do pay slip ba ye betete wo kakra na wo so agene ma ne kofie na wo akwa use aposifo muntie mi na muntie mi ye muntoto machines yi bi ma mo yere mo no mo hwe so na be boa adisika abafie masa yesi dua kro eyi agimframa ya na ede ebu nko na de bibia dada mama mi nso nye bibi oba mu bebudo bi na ne ko enye bibia o frustration sika kro na entra sase we su Ghana krom ha ne Africa ha de entra ha ze o source of income be ba akopɛ dabi nya sa wo bebre papa cause nkran ha edan ka eji ka eji we eji enima bebre abusu eji intimesrew so pese o daache no o planning year commercial brew machine be boa wo commercial fufu machine bi be boa wo number no ye 0244 38 51 36 0244 38 51 36 frame baby a will be a bejoso and answer 0243 074 750 ye bejoso upe deep freezer ato minim liters dodo a upe Kennedy ye di aba na de ye aba na entwe anyinama ho odin ni bi ye odi freezer bi so 3 unya bi na odi ye cold store adwuma odi yi blog odi chile drinks odi chile nsuo ema manfo so nya adwuma foforo ye na de another income e bro imagine say wo di freezer kesi esifie na wo fa nya adwuma na wo tua ho light bill enye
okay
what you say upe TV upe washing machine just say home appliances the system me nyi twi adoa TV papa so de e KDS TV
okay
je number si na fe me sorry e 0244 38 51 28 0244 38 51 28 and 0243 074 750 0243 074 750
yate SK akade ya atrew enti faka adwedwem odwen ho wie nso atu ho anamon ne duru botae ne ho pacho Kennedy digital satellite for yedam ase afa mo sa mo hwe no Facebook nyina medam nyina ase piaga positive change polos koja sempa furniture mankind mankind me chia piaga me chia na afa yakesimi me chia Diamond Junior ne maame nyina wusua onso anopai ode me acha adaje ewa fisem so no me da ase dododo fa sofo dan asem ne ya asem ne fetu anamon ne ntumi mwa ne tie Kennedy fo nso ne to abrabo ne so wo sika fem afa o man hene kwabna sante ne abedwafo betase no de pense mu ato a so koso ahwa Adom TV efise ye wa adoye medin de maame chira Diamond me mwache edase
Well, Yasaba, yeah, 20 media so I'm say Diamond Triad and I see piece on yet medin come on. It's another week. We're here to serve you. Na memfa sa kwanya we so na what you atwa no me nua kwaku bo am say yedin komo on pese mo brand so no na no kopa kakra mestre say ahwefo ene wona 18 so de ebeche yekoyanim no yebebo ye homoden asesa kasa no ebi emfa ye kasa fidie so bi mti yedamo asepi. There I have a pledge. Eti me Yakubu Chipsa, me Oma Hene Kwabna Asante, me Alex Badwam, me Eye Rapti, me Yakubu Chipsa, me Alice Kopi, me Goso Oma Hene Papebi, me Yamfo Techre, Oma Hene so in Totroso, me Eye ahafuni meshebo se ne esefata ye enmunyam shema ahafo eno ana meye na mede aboa ahafo kanko enti erade boami under the able leadership of George Boache, half original minister, supported by the lieutenants, a potential president flag bearer Eric Opoku, and a Wisdom Port Collins Dauda, Sansona, a year named for Bobby, Deputy Minister, Sports, and a Fiera, a year Bano, named for Almighty Frida Prempe, and a Dr. Benjamin, and a Wana Ekahuna of Fire Bruni, Venture Capital, Era Gamma, Bichim United, CEO, and a Wana Kahuna, a Cheswa Hima Papebi. Educhu mwamo samu nyina monhwe sa afo yeni so ade hunu ne betime adi mu na awie peyo yamfo hene ye president intimi new film no vice a brew or say kofi. Now to the Ghana pledge. We promise to be patriotic, to be loving, to be truthful, and to be honest in whatever we do. So help us, God. Be a proud Ghanaian is very important. Continue to be a proud Ghanaian. Na fa no kredi, na fa adwumaden, etuwache any odo, eye wadwuma esom woman. These are the qualities that we all have to exhibit. In fact, to the extreme. Say the be Ghana, yenso ebe boa ma afa ne ntoma pa no etimi efra. Brighten the corner baby obiano with these values is very, very important. Maybe intimi call. And to my team, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, winning the Aboboya Cup. Congratulations to the team and management. Moya dear. And Ramo Amoto Jum Medina Sinina. Unina Damaso Kwansum Kosokra, the teaming supporters, the chief executive, the chairman, whatever, board, everybody. Yenina. Your contributions, your prayers, and the Kotoko abedu baby yetimi edu any. We know say emre da enim no enyoma bebre papa eda ho a etwen enti. We are proud, fabulous fans. We take Ghana to the next level in terms of continental football. Enti munshene so. Yaba back to studio. Try and come on so how me say. My main country, my region, also say, I just picked information that the Greek minister, Honorable Kutu say, Edumi region, no. Nti akuafo amoho nyina no, ko sambia obia no, monhwe na omusa na mo welcome no na monhwe se domafo odua poultry nkomo of Kenya say imfudie no, you know, Techiman, any nkranza ye watermelon ye bayre no, all those conversations any poultry no should come up na more engaging na Ghana intimi enkonkai. Don't forget food basket region where room or go so as we speak inti body hon commodity, you know, body akese if we go so mankaya kese if we go so contumely fresh if we go so We are forever proud of ourselves. Nimja for Sylvester Tete, Okobotiano English among from the Emraship Jenu Gnoma this year on the ticket of the MPP at Rasi. If you Mr. Peter Kwachaka, Oko a Memphis Central, on which they Jema at this year on one of our Quaba. The Biada, who are Nafi Sylvester Ni Aquini. And I'm happy to say. Mensin Cratch for DC ni MC for ne ona carrying net as they need to start working the interest of Ghana in the nematis or moka say die be the war honum no ombeba be bubu fegu na what problem because Sesana Monturiba pay the first point of call is the representative there, that's the member of parliament. Just prepare yourself for the task. Now our man is also enema be better chill. Before I got those demolitions, you know, Aquino come how far with it?
Omahini, medawase na menchia ahwefo ne etiefo nyina anopai na asida kese pa na medema. Sanse we are more than ambassador for Botiano English among from. Na to be honest, me say enche ye crusader ya peja efa akwan ahodo ho wo. Me peso so ho. Yira amwakwata nyamenhira no watoa na mompa aba ho na oba ho no team on the buy na esewani ense wo ka kire eno achi mini no ne chief director ne urban roads director ya meetings ahodo miensa na omo assess the entire road structure ewo mpeswa so ho omahene uko municipality wa ye 1700 kilometers of roads make it up there we know we share these 1,700 kilometers now, only 2% and more trouble.
2%?
2% and more trouble. In fact, terrible. Now, that 2%, no 1% idea, ye ba muya no muye. Ya share contractor who do a mawo contractors are more abandoned the Jumano or more site. Minister is describing as a critical intervention for Botiano English among from a critical intervention. The assessment ni na any picky a total of about 50 kilometers bema access. Ewo critical roads minister are describing ewo the report. Baby they are packaging it in phases for various contractors to come. Ni nyina kwa koyisi kasem by empire bone say contractors and a whole road, the nature of the road, and your contractor be an obitimi aye. Sabi, would the contractor be kowa obitimi di ho 5 years on to me ye kwino. Ntiene a contractors are omunsem edru experience no e wosro. Na ministers wa say baby a yenya nye akwan ende no yenye drains na en control flooding na uhwe anwia Ceuta ebegu main road no mo the source no fi akwan enye nti insuo to ayi monchimonka ahodo so e washi anwia nyina abegu main road no. The last time I saw anwia wo yesa about 97 trips of 20 cubic, yes, 97 ahuna begu kwan no mo no yesa ye 97 trips of 20 cubic truck size. Chinese trucks yes baku 97. Oma hene nsuo to ene enti nkrofo kan say sa bebiata la ho no ye drains na de ade a oma is not only the drains. The last time I ba ho 7-meter wide drainer wo ye wo they are doing it, but sa we sa drain no wie na sa nwia 97 trips e bi gumu a mi hu drain e betumi sustain no drains na e wo ho ene no enye nsuo na fam e ya nwia na etimu na be yesa. So we have to go to the source. Na yen rectify akwan enye no. Na baby bebre wo ho a ye identification say assembly no be taking responsibility. Na yen planting green e wo ho to hold erosion na eba no. You identify about 7 different spots e wo constituency where we need to start that work immediately. Now after so people kese na wo ho na manfo atu ase nyina no. And no there it goes beyond the assembly. So we want EPA, we want the hydro department and even national security to look at this as a national concern. Na yen to me injury baby, yen greeny a honor, They protective vegetation. And yes, my henny, me who drain be a better wa a bet me a service situation.
But the citizens now omoko out of their way. Ebinum kura permit, ebinum kura permit, ebinum gusu a permit. Out of their way, our modern dances. Are they now faced with the reality? Say, in
fact, the last time you call visitation, your friend baby American farm. Na uku ye tracy flooding issue. A kwako pim will be fee. Nipa ne say, in fact, or share baby a development. No time or no bar hodo. Not dime BNC. So there was no plan for the area. And now development about why I demarcate. I am a see
or no idea. It's a draining.
Now I just say, or no one say there's no way else here differ. If you resident a war, be frail be when you buy, there's nothing we can do. It has to give way. I was say most of the structures are a war, but I think say you started BB coming Saturday, me sending notice, me assembly for no court to sensitize the people, the affected areas, no. Me say a dime be war babadogo. Ya kan wansema. Last 2 years, the flooding kese pa ba ene o ma hene insuo nankasa wabu story building egu. Nankasa ebuno. I'm telling you, ukwa ebuno. It tells the residents in and around say enya say aban wapayo say aban per se ye clear way no, but the strength of insuo no matter what you do ebebuno. So we will embark on sensitization, say, you're educating Crawford, no more the reality of the situation. It is not, say, me MP. Now, yes, Ebanes are, Nipa Bedi Yao, say, a battle. But of course, Nipa Omunko Ahunya in the constituency, the few people who go through that distress, that is true. Nyaya and can have means to mitigate some of those impacts. Most of the people, the certain, adanya kesia wo ho nyina obe komo no na ni permit. Look,
how many permit to build?
They don't have permit. Look, we call the whole stretch of area nipa ba kukura ni wo permit. Oto asase onya indenture no start no. The most of the land war contention anyhow. It's a problem. I Ghana ha obia sidi dewi because in clients as we toya na we say we see am sana. What they are secure as a dino. So people build without permit. In the bar, the assembly becomes handicapped. In the assemblies, all the time what they do is to regularize it. In the Nipa no do no krana obi asi abronsensi ho. One said the part of the building. And yeah, dano me feature tuba. We went around to trace flooding issues. Ebekwa koka penny for power mu di we war amanyo same war constituency obi die half of the building has to give Ebeko. And I'm catching say where I see today once I amanyo same you can sit here, you can be an MC, you can be this, but this is the reality on the ground. I feel no be afraid. I say well look at the resident ewo hanyina because baby ansio to e was say fa ne be obi esi ni fence wall IG ni dan ho enti ensuo no nya ba bi mfa enti ba na be pem na area ho nyina na flood. So we need to do this and I'm happy say RCC are sending reminder to all the MMDCs because the president directive said they should go ahead and do it. Yes, it comes with a political cost. But the minister say we are NDC ni now you want to capitalize on this situation say the insensitivity of the abino because look say power now dey pay now we pray. Say, ubegu abanye mas because we are doing what is right. Now, nyasa power no. The stark reality would. And I'm catching Professor say flooding ba. Now say NDC ne what power now flood ba. The NDC by name cannot stop the flooding until we do what is right. It's the same way say MPP ne wa abanye. Some of these structures had been there long before. Ebia NDC ni MPP kra. But sabane sa yenyi amanyo semnu tunchen. Na yenye community engagement and sensitization. Na nipa no nti ase say enye so bitiri mo den say baby a wo ne wo yene ne wo mada na ya sorry people. Oh, it doesn't work like that.
Okay.
Nti omahene wo de oni Dominic mekoso adam ase because the effort to support the plight of the people of Botiano English amount from omahene amount for cars wo fear want to me. Look, the last week Wednesday so ni to na me call visitation akwanya film baby last any minister call 1 month later ye fa ho no nipa simu
eyira
o man nsa so a wo hunu me videos no ha adanse man nipa simu a wo hunu Now, fortunately, Landlord Association chairman no or friend nam si beba. Me ba no, me regional director of Urban Roads apparently happens to be a sister. Bia, we who for a very long time. We do anam si our sister. The kind of work I hear work. Sir, ejuma. Ni pesi mo man also you can't see the person.
I see.
Terrible.
Former DC, at the same.
What problem ye?
What problem ye?
Abrabonu na idin.
You know, DC, you know. Now what protocol drinks are unya or how they serve them.
Protocol drinks.
Now so what drinks assembly ma allocation.
Oh, assembly manji bida.
Wow do see. But the process is that it should be allocated something.
I think so because I say me call first no.
It is there or you think?
My probu because me
but director you know. No I'm saying. No I'm saying colleagues be no I'm saying process or
entertainment. Me gidi entertainment. I'm say because me kai say me ma you know. Me director. Ba say or ma me drink. Inti I ask say me dey den. Drinking me dey den. No so dem or ma me drinks. I'm so I mean into I don't need it.
But say you won't in yourself.
I think so. Now some antiasi. Now I was fresh.
Now antiasi. That Ghana you know be
yes.
That is strange.
Yes. Into manji bida and there on
the record. Ewo. Do you see yen twema na?
Me to me can say yen twem. It sounds a position no oh ha amafo we bre ba ho. Na me mom what I believe say say what you say, Senipare bar, they go and buy near Koto at the Amana a year. Since a bear constant say every month. So when you who where you not a dear name on. To me, it's waste of money.
So we should find a way out of it.
Oh, yes, sir, and I make sure say you are purchasing officers or home. And to see a yaho and I be yaho. You bet me, I
want about impromptu. I say it's a tight part of it, necessarily be assured them near my na ho bi ba impromptu say official o ya kaka dia kana no
eno ewo ho wo ebia villages no untumi enya just in time supply on say this time companies move towards just in time supply won to de fancy ho unhia hwa okonya no akoto enti say ade a ekrom say this time delivery or at least we hu say nipa na ba within 1 hour and within 1 hour no obetumi ama ya supply. I think something like that will do. Now, certain areas where it be applicable, when they can stock a little bit, and to me, and yet to me as a DC, buy in the stock.
Then the supply.
A stock no say a war assembly. I didn't say stock near say and the occasion bar you just bring it out. Now a logo near so.
Budget those allocations are there, entertainment, blah blah blah. You know.
I don't think assembly, assembly, you know, is there.
See, the brain behind it. They say first, you know, the car DC is almost like
the
chief and everything in that area. Not from district secretary.
Mensing Cratch.
I am for Bao opinion leaders. Everybody visit you. Your custom, your tradition. So it is not an allocation for your officer, even your home. It is there. We share more appointment, more conditions of service. But the truth is that most of the assemblies are distressed. They don't have the money. That is the truth. Ube komuno assembly no kra dika this year ojane jane. Wo mo IGF ebe ba no ne kada wo so. Enti DC bia hwe se e kada ye so ye nya sika ntua ye hoka. Na
do betimi no.
Now
we fresh burger.
Yes, those are the challenges. But the conditions of service. Every month I was almost talking ni fie, not only in the office.
You need to address.
No, I know mom DM say by convention.
It's part of their conditions.
There be conditions of service.
They've and assembly be also on the bylaws. Assembly be based on their strength.
But the generality is that assembly is not convention. They say this
is a convention. They mom enka ayi ho.
It's part of protocol. Omoja ho.
Enka condition of service.
No, enka condition of service.
Enka no can say condition of service. Now I'm saying no. There's nothing like that in the condition of service. Condition Miami will be. Yes, but by convention no. I say
salary structure comes with entertainment allowance and the rest.
No. There's nothing like that. There be. DC Bibia.
The assembly structure so budget in the
assembly budget. I think there's a room for contingency.
Good.
Contingency. Yes. Name say DC. We can't do service amount. No, it's not.
The German South for until I made this uncle. Almost say 6,000 for water and
for 1 month.
Any drinks
for 1 month. No. That is. No, outrageous. Idea any can say 6,000 for drinks. Huh? Oh, na assembly a common fan and say yahin. Na ko 6,000. O dia kotonsa.
You know the koto. Say dey edge wo I know your problem.
Problem. Me sa me nye.
Na o ju ba mo twem. You say dem mbaka say nye bia no. You have to assure us.
There's nothing a chire say this amount of money, a protocol.
And I'm saying,
I never saw
and
that.
I'm saying that because the dean of the DCs, MMDs, it is there from time memorial. All DCs.
I never saw man who that any condition of service. And the man who say
condition.
You know, prove them say a war bylaws and
DC Pembia and so that's your DC. Please help us with this information. It's important.
Yes.
Now, why do you say that? Only partner say German South, the Okasa will say DC akoto enyo on the koto there, but assembly now ento emuno. Omakoto black label. Osusu say ne board. The idea is competition.
And I say me from my own practical
experience. Don't talk from your say this is somebody's explanation or no
say black label
kasa no passe o my German South mean tumpon this year got black label it just say on community
to me mom dey na black label no o to dey hiding I mean e bia na me
ba ofie na ba me say aya na wo no insan wo to ye wo no say it wo to ye
na what am myself on sada Nye Fanta ni coke la disi ho.
Any kokori beat.
Uma diare na disi ho. No so of my personality. Yes, I was very careful with the state funds no.
Yeah.
Because now your district.
No, the conversation is just because it's like maybe there are a lot of loopholes beneath nyoma bebree wo o man ye hihye especially when e hia sika e bitimi dia ye enoma ehunhia. I'm just asking because if we discuss these things, say the be ma obi inquire say the ono ne pen na o sheda na o yes nyoma what I say go DC di no kasa say o ho nananom adaroma o ba besrawo nananom ba o besrawo eno ye ho hihye o a o man hini beba o party ni beba NDC for air concert o potemo o meba o man for ebeba say ni say inti ensuo kura no sebe
me what I know is say be the assembly meetings no you prepare a memo na my budget say aduane assemblyman bid na nana mebeba and say that is for an occasion. There's something wrong with that.
Why should we take money for that thing?
Oh no, assembly meeting.
Why? You are sacrificing for Ghana.
No, assembly meeting there you can't use your money. Assembly say omo buy omo allowances, omo meals. The assembly has to take care.
We were so the way who because now we are marine engineer. Of course we are marine engineer. Oh,
me mom there ma sanya money there ma dwuna nkoso.
I know even still because you're not comfortable with a lot of things.
A lot of things say obi assembly sika na instead say obi hia nsuo. Next calculation. It's your rules near the end. Now let's spend that amount of money for entertainment.
It's not 60 million.
I was not like that.
It's not 60 million. It's 6,000.
6,000 is too much, my brother. Too much.
But sorry, Abuja now to black label. Say.
When I walk out there no way.
Then
you say Casapreco. You can do that.
That's why I'm saying very good. You are giving up.
Now Uncle Top Black Label, so be sour kakra. What the assembly is Top Black. I don't support that.
Okay.
I'm not for because I'm mean.
Yes. No, you have to. No, you speak to the reality.
Yes.
Even in Casapreco, you are helping the system.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's why.
Yes, into Casapreco, you're okay. Something. Yes, Alomo. Snap. Aromatic snap.
Oh, I don't pay. You be able to constituency.
Near my.
Go to Tunyoma. When was the last time you DC any engagement?
DC, I'm say
partners in development for the constituency. Muntensia.
Yeah,
so I don't know it's a thesis side. Opposing side Montane, the incumbents. What's the problem?
Well, but me hold ye me
no, someone na more abam.
No, but me war the municipality or 2 constituencies. And for me Gas South municipality. Me ho Botiano English amount any Obom Domiabra held by Sophia Kwaku. NDC member of parliament.
Okay. Babushi Akama.
Yes, we meet, we talk. I mean, from time I hear confirmation of MMDCs, me on many occasions on a DC interaction. Well, you see, the funny thing about the politics, and they say nyasa adwene say we were, it doesn't help the development. Me, a juma also we as an MP, and as a job the DC or the MC has to do to help and push development. Amount for pushing acquiring at the idea no MP want to mean sorry pe enkoye bibi a juma bia obi DBFA assembly ho so person we see school at assembly na say your contract ma bibia and say woni nipa no nya
that's what
it affects development.
That's what I'm say how is it possible?
But ono why DC pen
or a former DC yeah
and na wabeye MP so watimi serving the 2 roles na e wo ho no nti menim say he knows his way around the assembly. Sometimes obisu wo ho attempt say woni ni be fine no kura no sometimes the political hit on it and na MP no say if you be a contesting sitting MP no from the other side
or contesting
so sometimes a bidi say way no and
when we quite confirm because even I understand that
yes so
I understand that even you be support no on can jam to hold him the mega I understand he organized his people.
No, but he understands the local government because say why are
there means over to just
oh
why are there power
oh to just here now say
they won't make us so me tell me more come on
you go so now see motor what delay also
I mean delay papa
okay
just say
who so mo ye djuma also
omo ye bridge na wo ho
do you share time na say o share there na peace na there na agriculture
someone block one side.
Okay.
Into traffic no while bar, nefe ya diverting wakofa the other side. No.
Okay.
And sana
what yes you mean?
And I spent over 1 hour. And sana maybe started Jen Nankasa. And more or less I spent about I started at 6 o'clock because of 6 o'clock. And I'm due 8:15. Yes, it's about 2 hours 15 minutes.
I quite about 30 minutes.
Yes. So. Now I was thinking, say maybe say in car. Enyumre anajo so kwa brochire anajo because road here usable and you know anajo na edom yesa you know day no na bie I don't know how engineer works the beko but kwa brochire was maintenance na adini na we na anajo when they had 20 and amanfo nim anke be use alternative routes.
Okay, so that's your flag bearer to be now, and our president, if he God willing he wins in waiting, Anna Akasano. Former President John Dramani Mahama wants the new Patriotic Party administration to show more commitment towards promoting free speech and ensuring the protection of journalists. I quote, "We believe that the ability of citizens to express themselves freely is a right, not a privilege. This administration must learn to tolerate criticisms and enhance free speech while protecting journalists from harm." Ono flag bearer doing.
Oh, papa, na me chia me conscience for every man chia. I had the promise more. Me chia me deputy regional secretary, Charles Fojo, na me regional chairman na natuku. Na the working pepe. Se nipa na okasa na Owura Mahama. Why president pay? Ena nti okasa from experience. Na where the obvious. So mada na all yanke make say service we dwane num ti say dey binim dwa omanum a ene ayere omoso yi we dey waba pen until we can compare his time we are compare at this time o share a reporter by ya move 30 places down you were 30th in the world you see ecosystem just say asay kra freedom of speech ni ho journalists ya tatao kwabra kra bi say wo suma say tatao unya abegina kasa uwi afia na yama phone so aka kire malafo hwe yie wa hwe ya ade beto na ji mo kasa mo ye kakra camera man nyina ehurahura o ye this time mo ehu na me ade ntra me ka sei omo yenhwe nanado ene MPP omo history emra mahama wo ho hwe ayi amanfo nsema ne ka fa ho utie Captain Smart na yibia oya to ha o se hye da kan say mahama wato hotel ni ade wo Dubai nsem ye kan no ho this man never uttered anything hwe sa ayi man ye ochocho nsemi Manase nsem ocho no ho according to the man anka so mahama he share na no aka hey my good friend just say he understands the system and so some man he can find nyina na fa na enye no kore onya ho abotre o ma sa system say enweke because press na mbetumi ayi nsem de apie even though sometimes the one can be wa enye na so ye stifle o mo so a nieba body be koso a enso ye nti mahama tie sa de yase mo gya won ema omo eye de omo pe even though sometimes na ke there otumi intervene na obeyiri ho ano until now after so many years ansana binima betan so asama ye kan kura na enye ne kure na ya maye sika but he never did that because no thinking the future of the country. Fast forward yeah but this time yeah hwe President Nanado o metena so kura no hwe enema esi won party ni mu eye polafoko Kwabena Japan unya ko kan ho asempe na o ka obeba na yebubu ka abobbo hwehwe ne ade it happened a lot ne fide bia abato no ni beso na ema na yesa dan ema ko so aya afoko ni nua oni afia ase the good so
the president is being specific with the media journalists
with the media and say me kaba menua je media no say no omuntumi kasa na ono no time de kasa it because of something awa say wo twi ahoma wo so say emma na de kuram enti journalists omamu no omuntumi kasa asofofo ntumi kasa ne ade nyina esan say obi ni nan atia mbodua so
obi atia so anado
na ban na atia so udi agro mbe hawo for example sama men onua before obeba so ama for kra won yes amu hwe pay ye na no hu ye ntie not one destroy factory one village one dime $1 million one constituency and na toy asum na ama for anhwe sa won na de ma nyina na ye to abama no am pass obai Manase no ye de wo mahama time no ene wo yi
oye na juma
so dwane anko South Africa no sa bai o dwane ne mu ayehu ama no dia simple no kai hwe ayi anas ena naus na o tiase
oye juma
anas ye juma se eni nua na ye kunu no amesuare ye kunu no abo it is a man ye woman as a journalist ye tumi kun on sa nothing comes out. Investigation yenti dia akosimpo. Anke ya dia the nation fan serious because that journalist na betumi akasem ama man na ye. Na say no obi wu ye nkan hwe. Nti ama nas akọ underground tumi nkasa because ya wono. Minia hwe ayi ye ba kaka. So no more or less a journalist because now o preach this fix the country. What
is this?
What is this, right? We are not counting. I said, American.
Did you read the report?
Kaka report.
Did you read the report?
Hey,
honorable member.
The American say. The American say surprisingly. Well, report. The American member report. The report. Why they can't
go? Oh, the report by Yejuma.
The bar.
You mean throw away report.
The bar report for Florida. Oh, the other not your name.
Mba mo the report for Florida.
Ya ba o de me yan frank
crop. Mba mo the report for Florida.
Ya ba
on the report ni.
Whose report is that? Does he even understand
what he's talking about? What I'm saying, oh Minia, I am man
denigrating into the eyes of the people. Who you a member of parliament? What's the report to Nyavi?
Don't denigrate somebody.
What TV so member of parliament?
Quiet,
official report?
My brother,
you know how parliament works?
My brother, quiet.
I'm disappointed in you.
Quiet.
You are throwing dust into the eyes of the people.
Sylvester.
After throwing dust into the eyes of the people.
My friend. You just denigrate somebody.
I'm not denigrating you. You are insulting the intelligence of good people of this country.
Then let them judge. Let the people judge.
The emphasis also is real because you're a member of parliament. Oko parliament obeti magina so aka say krata na eba abonten Mr Speaker many omo nya adwene me pese ebetu aginatu kokro am yakọhwe but if you conclude adwene
my brother the main power had say oh kasa they want to make you like you're useless.
Nobody will be will allow you. Nobody will allow you on this platform to feel like
allow
that.
The person to make his state. Who we are?
You can't.
No account yansa no. Account yansa seven. Yeah, the same school you go. As one, but now you project yourself as you are superhuman. My friend, let me speak. Me say kaka, you kuno, more or less, or a journalist. Whatever be the case.
An advocate for some.
Something into or just a journalist. You could that's the point I'm making. Why the coincidence say on one all campaign for fix the country, no, he was killed. A bro who I'm up for a demonstration. People were gunned down. What has come out of that? It just say people are scared to even come out. A whom to demonstrate. That's the point I'm making. Doesn't it make sound correct? So obi demonstration on the yakuno. Now microphones almost what TSC ekrom. More or less, they almost see a journalist, almost express themselves, almost see a tutu, and so nothing happened. So why is it by accident? Say you're free 30, you drop 30 places. Is it by accident? No, these are small things. I'm on phone air share. Yeah, surprisingly, yeah, the demonstration ban here tutu guma, yeah, assembly report will come. Report. That's what I'm saying. Report here. Let's just forget about report. I was West Wagon.
The message say we have lived on reports mostly to build countries.
Reports.
Yeah, and we so as a marine engineer.
It's a policy there, yo. Marine engineer, I was West Wagon. Kaka motobi no
nya kaka motobi
no me why
na say dressing no a part of omo dress
aye to aba no na uko maintain peace wa ko share balaclava so de kaka motobi na mu him so e ka na motobi so na mu him
ye ngomra ye ba e beto
show you me
ye ngomra Yes, Abba, Tete and Quack Commoners Nafi.
Oh, my name.
Oh, my 1 man,
no,
Minya Penny. Very humble by nature. And Yamok, I want to me fast. But I say,
I just agree with you. Nobody see
me. Baby, I will be free. Maybe I will do it. Me man of 2 examples in his party. Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa. Look at his days before Oba politics. Now propaganda, they send the way. Who put the affair now turning into when people are reforming, you are turning into that way. Look, reporter you can once a week. Or say at one breath on you report to me. So what happened to Kaka? He doesn't want to read it. But it's the same person citing a report by foreign institutions say you are dropping from 30 to 60. Into Nipano, Nijina Biapa OC or discussion. One breath you don't believe in report. Another breath you are citing a report. But Mamin Kanchano, maybe he's not read the report. 3 or 4 things. Basis are every year, sir, report every year. No. One more can't say yes, I want to read the report now, but no problem. What's your own report in the into one kind? Actually, and say parameters are we used to in time past, no? Assistant. So nobody should compare the 2021 to 2020 report. Now, one of the critical decisions of this report is economic reason. Journalists, there were over 600 media houses, radio stations in this country. I can tell you, formally, Busumiso, Yemao Akituya, our pay 2% of the population we use. And now can't say and say the biggest problem of our media landscape, it's that problem economic. And the Nippon Yantuanica, into your time microphone now, I dear Nico so no, and no Bekwakoye. Capacity building, training, is lacking. We've had this conversation. Look, I have had platforms to discuss this as a vice chairman of the Communications Committee of Parliament. And a young common was a DA. And now she'll be our core program and any if a mobile phone or by interview. Who is that person? Accreditation or reporting my wine. Ethics. Any ho. A condino or faka and son or baby or corner. Any krumha. The national security installation. Won him as a journalist. Yan kohonko chamfuni. Now what time will camera? What run national security more under false pretense? Now will video. Can this be done in America? Can this be done in America where you were trained, where you were coming from? No. But because of politics, you sit here, you denigrate the whole system. Me who dream that here can media freedom in this country. Bail at that parliament for years. It took this government the right to information bill. Yeah, passing to enhance who can report now. It commends Ghana for reforms and legislation. But the biggest problem is the economic. So if he doesn't own a radio station, I'm sure in his enclave or NDC gurus who owns a radio station, you go and find out whether they pay them and whether the ethics of this profession will be sustained. Never. Never. Until better radio so the danger is that the institution we represent, Parliament as an institution, are serving as role model to young people and people learning. It casts a big slur on our reputation. Like I feel say Yabahi, former president, is calling for government to be tolerant. Look, nipa bia mahene. Ukani wansem bonia. The institution, the reforms, any systems and they be protecting journalists. So why? If it calls for government to be tolerant, governance, including Minewu, more opposition, more journalists, threatening boycotting media platforms. Your director of communication, he took on a media host and he insulted him. You think it's not part of the report we are seeing in this country? It is part of the report. If you care to know, it's part of the report. It is part of the report. So for me, a collective, both opposition, government, and all, under his watch, the media abuses in this country. But if we should give free, fair space for the media, how do you do that? You do that by way of legislation. You do that by ensuring, say, NIPA freedom is enhanced. The excesses that we are talking about, go and check the whole world. America, you come journalists in Babia. The report is there. But they have stiffer laws to protect the practice of journalism in this country. And not just that the society is sacrosanct or immune from people who can abuse people. Journalists be ukroma torture omodin for fame, blackmail. Omodin for fame ukroma. If you had gone through that one day, unim journalists, they are not even supposed to be called journalists. Or before microphone, not reporting my station. Yeah, the person does not become a journalist. We need to define. So practicing journalism, there are ethics that goes with it. Now extortion, blackmail that goes on in the media space. These are things that you can say it doesn't help the job. Okay. It doesn't help the job. So we, as legislatures, we should begin to probe further into this report. But you see a new report indeed, but you want to discuss a report, you're casting doubt on all of us, our integrity. All right, also
Mama, free flow into Kasawa Kasano. He has made all his progress. Oh, yes, I am. And then, now we can have you were interrupting.
Thank you so much.